Hey, good morning, good morning, good morning. How's everybody doing out there? Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. What do we have today? Yesterday we come crashing down. Today, are we about to go ripping right back up? If we look at the overseas markets real quick, Nikkei was down 613 points. Here's a little bit of chirping going on too. HSI was up 75 points. We have the DAX currently down about 262 points, and the CAC is up 28 points. So let's see. Good evening. That's pretty cool. We see people from around the world. For me, it's morning. For you, it's evening. That's awesome stuff. That's pretty funny. Fear and greed index, we're sitting at 27. So look at pre-market. All right, we do have a big day coming out today. Big day. All right, let's see. What do we have? So it looks like Nvidia's up, Apple's up, AVGO, Intel. So the chips are up today. They got smacked pretty good yesterday. Google's up, Meta's up. So we have Microsoft and Amazon in the red. Hey, repeat, good morning. So we shall see. I'm kind of curious. If we look over here on the 30-minute chart, you can see we just been kind of consolidating down here overnight. We haven't taken out even the New York session high or the low yesterday. We've just been contained within that range. We do have the P point above us, which yesterday we failed to hit the P point. So that's going to increase the probabilities that we're going to go back up towards that P point sometime today. NASDAQ. Yeah, did the NASDAQ sweep the low last night? 29,577. 29,585. So we didn't quite sweep the low. So we still have an inside day right now on the NASDAQ as well. We did not sweep the low yet. We have the P point up here about 30,010. And I do like that. So I'm going to put a micro on this. I'm going to try to target this P point. All this calls being built, I'm going to expect that we're going to break and make it up here, minimum up here towards 30,010. That is just before, a little bit before this minus development area within the profile. It's quite large from the prior day. That comes in about 30,082. And if you look, all right, I like this zone right here. I'm kind of focused on this zone. That P point is right within that zone. So that's going to be my MO on that. I just went ahead and started a position on that. Here it is right here. So I got me a position on that. We'll see how that pans out this morning. So hopefully we get lucky. Hopefully the market wants to participate with me. If not, well, we'll see. I do plan to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway, but we got to get to 200 likes today. So let's see. YouTube is really irritating me lately. I'm back in the penalty box. So if you guys can help me out, smash that like button. Help me try to defeat the YouTube algorithm. So I do have a video coming out today at 12:30. You definitely want to pay attention to, you definitely want to watch that video. If you trade prop firms at all, you want to watch this video. It's going to be important. So I hate to see somebody lose an account because they didn't know about this. So we shall see. Hey, Smoke J, what's up? What's up? Now I do have to, so the winner, I picked the winner late last night. Man, oh man, was it late. It was probably 11, 12 o'clock when I sent the email out, picked the winner. They did respond back this morning. So I want to respond back, let them know after we do the giveaway. After I do the giveaway, hold on. Where did it go? I know I seen the email this morning. Oh, there it is. So in today's video, I'm going to do another Take Profit Trader giveaway from that. So I actually don't do bad. A lot of times I do pretty good in sideways markets. You can just fade it. So at night, I like to fade the moves. So last night they made it pretty easy on me. We had to move down, fade it, went up, fade it, fade it. So they made it pretty easy on me last night. But only, I say only, right? We got, yesterday we had over 1,000, right around 1,000 points before the market opened. Today we only have 306 points. But still, 306 points is a lot of opportunities still. ES, we've had a 44.75 point range. Now on the ES, here's one of the zones I'm kind of watching this morning on the ES, on the S&P 500. And that's going to be right near the high yesterday. Now, we basically called out that level on stream yesterday. We had that nailed pretty good. Hey, Adam, good morning. We had that level marked off pretty good. We had a double bottom, bottom one, bottom two. That was the target for that. And we had this structure breakdown zone right here. Candle wick to the candle body. So we had 2 points of interest right there. And that target got smashed yesterday. You build a trading platform. Good look out, JD. That sounds pretty intense. It's way above any of my skill levels. So it's pretty funny. The first time I heard about market replay, so it's like, oh, my platform has market replay. We can trade on historical data. I was like, you can't do that. I thought they were just talking about regular sim accounts. This is like many years ago. Now it doesn't seem that far-fetched. You know, a lot of platforms have that feature, but I was like, man, if they would have had that a little bit earlier, I could have learned so much quicker. That would have been all I did. So, now we do have oil. Oil's down another 2% this morning. Actually down almost 3%, 2.92%. Ooh, look at gold too. Let's go look at gold real quick. Where are we going? Let's go look at GC real quick. It's getting closer and closer to the targets we've been talking about. Looks like it's going to break right there. It looks like it wants to break. The next target is right here near this high volume area. 38.27 is the next area I'm kind of watching. So 38.27, we break that. Then look, we do have a larger ABC pattern down as well. Hey, Atomic, what's up? What's up? Hey, Sods, I tried to put you in the duck race again yesterday. Oh, you're always on here. You don't ever get a chance to get in it. I think I might end up putting you in it today, Sods. Because you're on here every day. I know maybe you have to work or something when we do the duck race, so I still like to show that I do appreciate your support. So the ABC target completes at about 35.80, right near this other high volume area right here on the profile. So, you know, I would be surprised if we do try to make our way down there. Let's go look at crude oil real quick. What is crude oil looking like on the daily? We got a little itty bitty little reaction off the 127 extension, then right back down. You know, majority of the volume is all the way down here. And if we were to look, right, here's the true breakout point right here, right around 65.53. We're going to come back down towards this area, 65, 60s, somewhere in that ballpark. Come down there. And then let's not forget, we do have a gap down here. Now, oil going down should be good for CPI. It should be good for us, the consumer, you know, at the pump. So. Ooh, I am looking. ES is at the second. I didn't realize that. ES at the second deviation band up here. We'll see if we get a knee jerk back down towards VWAP, which is at 47 at the moment. NASDAQ's right around the first band, VWAP being 776. And where's the second band up there? Second band will be about 905. So we'll see if the NASDAQ can maybe make it up there. We do have a trade detector bubble. Just fired off right there. Yeah, hello, Nightbot. That cracks me up every time. Hey, Nightbot, I'm here. Don't forget about me. So. Now, what we got for gamma levels? Let's see real quick. We've been hanging around GEX1 a lot last night. That's not really no surprise. We've been chopping around that area. One day max is up here. 75.02. One day minimum is going to be about 73.72. Hey, what's up? What's up? Hey, I think that was the winner from the giveaway. XD, you were the winner, I believe. I believe that was your YouTube name. Oh, let me go see. Hey, so I just replied back to your email. Let you know I'm gonna email T Profit Trader your information after we do the duck race today. That way I only send them one email. So let's see if we can keep on pushing up. Push. See if we can push up towards that P point. That's where I'm trying to take the micros to. One day max, one day minimum. Oh yeah, it's pretty simple. No worries there. So one day max and one day minimum just basically comes off of the options data. This is where the option market is priced in. We will be contained within today. Now, one thing to note, when the options markets get it wrong, usually they don't get it wrong in a small way. It's a big way. So normally on most days, we are going to be contained within one day max and one day minimum when the market closes. But one thing I've learned about playing with this data is if we get above the one day max, then you're looking for it to close back down below it. Before you start taking shorts, wait till we're back below that level. If we're trading below the one day minimum, wait till we get back above it before trying to go long. You know, sometimes we'll just hold outside of it. You know, you keep trying to get a bias in one direction. So just wait till we at least get back on the other side of that level. That's just using the options data to come up with that level. I didn't come up with it. So no, it's not, I don't think it's like hedge pressure. I don't know. It's just using the implied volatility in the markets. So it's using the implied volatility of the options. I get those levels from Mentor Q, so it's not like I sit there and calculate them. Mentor Q automatically will plot them on my chart. Oh, let me get this over here. You're gonna short at 36. 36. Hey, so is that on the ES? Your challenge starts today. Is that the ES or are you talking about the NASDAQ? Make a video on it sometime. Actually, I'll put that down for a video idea. Let me see. I don't know where it's going to pop up at. Oh, we're good. Bam. All right, there we go. There we goes. So I got that in my notes for a future video. Thank you for the suggestion, Atomic. Yeah, KD, what's the model saying this morning? KD in here? I haven't seen him in the chat yet. But yeah, see what let's make sure we don't have any. I think we do. Is it tomorrow or is it today? Man, my days are running together. Let's see. Yeah, we don't have a lot of news out this morning. New home sales at 10 shows low impact, and crew numbers at 10:30. Hey Brad, good morning. Oh, hey KD, good morning. Good morning, Raj. Yeah, we've been playing around with GEX1 already. So, ooh, NASDAQ did not, but ES did. Look, ES has been right here chopping right around GEX1. NASDAQ, though, we have GEX1 down here at 29,500. So if we do sweep the lows, don't be surprised. Do not be surprised. I still like the zone up here. See if we can make it up there. Maybe we will, maybe we won't. We have some FBGs we can see over here. Yeah, hey Brad, I just put a micro on for the trying to play up towards this area right here. You know, yesterday we did not hit the P point, and we have the New York session high. I like this area, and it comes right on the edge of where the minus development area starts. So I'm trying to target the P point area ish. So I'm currently down a little bit on the micros. If we look, I haven't rebuilt the workspace yet, but there's the micro trade. I'm down 43 bucks. I'm afraid to make the chart over here again like we did the other day, and I had 2 crashes. That's the only time I've had the new Ninja Trader update crash on me, was that morning. Hey BK, good morning. And I've been running it all night. I haven't even been resetting the computer before we come on stream, just because I'm trying to test to see if I'm going to have issues or not. So if we look yesterday, here was the P point the prior day. Oh no, we did hit it. Oh, I didn't think the NASDAQ hit the P point yesterday. It did. That might have changed how aggressive I was on getting into that trade. So it was the ES that missed it. Oh, I thought they both had missed it. Uh-oh. I still think I'll be good though. I still like the target area. So I still like it. I likes it a lot. Over on the View app and daily open. Well, today's gonna be a big one, Raj. After hours. After hours today. Let me see if I can find this. Look what we have after hours today. That's not it. There we go. After the hours today, we have Micron. We know Micron's been a beast out there. Now, yesterday, not so much. But if we look at Micron stock, you go and look at MU. MU has been a beast, even since the end of March. I'm loving that sound right now. End of March right up here. It's went up 285%. So if they don't say exactly what the market wants to hear today, that could be problematic. Problematic for any longs anyways. Might be good for us that want to short. But if you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. If we get 200 likes today, we are going to be doing a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. Let's see if we can run that like counter up. Help me defeat the YouTube algorithm. I'm in the penalty box at the moment. MU going to 1500s? Might. It might. Let's see. How big of a move would that be? I can see where it closed. 1500 after hours. Yeah, I don't know about that. That's a little bit far. If it goes to 1500 after hours, oof, that is going to be a beast. What about SpaceX? Wow. Did SpaceX really? I didn't look at a chart of SpaceX. I guess I didn't pay attention to it on the daily. We went down. We took out the low from the opening day. Wow. That is nuts. Bitcoin's up 53. Tesla was down 23 yesterday. Tesla right now is up 0.5%. Let's see if they can get this ripping. I don't know. I'm hoping before we dip down and take out these lows, we can come up towards that P point on the NASDAQ and right up here on the S&P. S&P just mark it off the New York session high, candle body to the candle wick. It kind of starts, the top of that zone is kind of right on the edge of the minus development area on the ES as well. Right now I am up on the micro trade. So up 85 bucks ish. We'll see how this pans out. Yeah, gold's on the verge of breaking 4K. I've been saying that for a while. 3,800, 3,820s. We break that, then we're going down to 35s. So we'll see. We shall see. All four of the indices right now are in the green. Dow being up 78, S&P up 27, NASDAQ up 200, and the Russell up 12.6. Now, I do wonder, is Trump or anything speaking today? Trump speaks at 12 p.m. Trump attends a Senate lunch at 1. We have the 5-year note at 1 o'clock. Trump meets NATO Secretary General at 3:30. Trump speaks at 12, though. Trump, $500 million initially for Iran to buy U.S. goods. Trump, no rush getting inspectors into Iran sites. No rush. Inspectors to be allowed where Iran's uranium is. We shall see. Yeah, I know, but I just want to know because we don't have a lot of news today, so I just want to be mindful. Is he gonna, are we aware of any times where he's speaking to, we never know what's gonna come out of his mouth or what he's gonna tweet about or Truth Social post about. So. Hey, good morning. Good morning. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if gold, how long gold takes to get down there. Gold's down 97 points right now as we speak, or $97 as we speak. So. Hey, the one good news though, love them, like them or love them or hate them or whatever, in the markets, we need volatility. No movement equals no opportunity for us. So you gotta love the volatility. Brings on a lot more opportunities for us. Now, sometimes why don't you just shut the beep up when it goes against our trade? But the volatility gives us opportunities. Yeah, we'll see. What's gonna be funny is if the the talks fall apart after 60 days, that's going to put us into a time period in the market where we can see good sell-off. You know, the markets don't usually go like this, all-time high, boom, straight down. Usually goes up, comes down a little bit, sets a lower high, and then, you know, starts working its way down. And then after we've been going down for a while, that's usually where the trouble comes in. If you go back and look, let's go back and look real quick. So look back in 08. All right, here's during the great financial crisis. Wait for this to. Here we go. All right, this is where told you the horror stories. I got smoked right up in this area right here. Right, but look, we've already set the high, put in lower highs before the real bad stuff ever happened. You know, it wasn't real bad right here, all-time highs. Boom. You know, we had already been coming down. If you look at when things really got ugly, I'd say once we broke. Well, that's funny. SPY at 86. You know, if you look right there, we were already down at 22% before things really got ugly. Before they really got ugly. Now, what happens if we go back to 2000 .com bubble burst? Let's see if we can scroll back there. Oh, there's 97. All right, there's 2000. What do we have right here? Look. Here's a high. We come down. Try to come back up, make new all-time high, and then we fail, and then we start rolling over. Here's where it really gets fast and ugly right here. Right there. But look, from that point, we've already been down. You know, before this really starts to get ugly, say probably about here, we're already down 16%. And then it just keeps going and going. You got some fast legs in there. So right now, I think we're still too close to all-time highs where that happens. But between now and then, you know, could this be the start? This could be the lower high. Then we kind of meander around. 60 days comes up, everything falls apart, and then, you know, down we go. Could be the case. JD, didn't they teach us you gotta love yourself? You can't hate yourself. Hey Chris, good looking out. Smash that like button, guys and gals, if you have not yet. Max Payne Day 75.25. Now it is 74.95, so another 20 points pop. I wouldn't mind seeing that. Let's see a little pop and then, you know, drop it back down. I won't be surprised one bit. They pop it up a little bit just to smack it back down. I will not be surprised. Hey, Kid Poker, it does. Right here. There's VWAP on Ninja. It's part of the order flow. So, hey, if you trade with a prop firm that has Ninja Trader prop, you can get it for free. If you have a lifetime license, you can get it for free. Or if you have a live trading account with Ninja Trader, you can get it for free. Now, the VIX this morning is down 70 cents. Now, keep in mind, the VIX yesterday was up more than 10%, which implies that today or tomorrow is going to be an update in the market. Oops. So if we actually look from the prior day to the prior close, it looks like we were up yesterday almost 13%. Yeah, hey, Kid Poker. So that probably means that you don't have So there's multiple ways you can get it. One, you can have a lifetime license for Ninja. That gets it for you. Two, you can have a live account with NinjaTrader, live trading account. That'll get it. Three, you can pay for the order flow package, which I do not suggest. And then four, trade with a prop firm that has NinjaTrader prop. So Lucid Trading, NinjaTrader prop. Take Profit Trader, NinjaTrader prop, along with Tradeify. I know for sure those three prop firms had NinjaTrader prop. So if you trade with a prop firm that has NinjaTrader prop, you can get all the order flow tools for free. The volume profile, the VWAP. So this right here is the VIX, but I primarily trade the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. This chart right here is the ES. This will be the NASDAQ. And I'm already in along with some micros trying to target the P point right here. It comes right within the structure area right up here. New York session high area, wick to the candle body, and right on the edge of the minus development area of the volume profile. Now, market's having a hard time getting up and out of there, but I'm hoping. Let's see, is the DAX getting any better? DAX is trying to turn here a little bit, still down, 221 points. CAC is green, so kind of a mixed bag. Nikkei being down, HSI up. Let's see this. How'd that handle? So the Cosby was up 3.26% after being locked limit. Yeah, hey, Brad, or hey, KD. Hopefully, we are building. This market belongs to Cosby now. Yeah, maybe. We saw what happened when it did not have a good day. So our market suffered as well. So the only trade I put on so far in pre-market is the micros. That's it. Yeah, it's probably because the chips. They can get volume profile for TradingView and stuff too. VWAP comes free on TradingView. Gurus suggest traders get into buy the dip for the next 2 to 3 weeks. Buy the dip, let it rip. Let's get it. What time is it? 8:30 already? We have it on TradingView. Yeah, I do like the bands too. I like Raj says, right around second band. I like between the second and third band. Pre-market is green so far. It doesn't mean we won't smack down come the open. The fact that we did not take out yesterday's low. Do we basically sweep it and then try to come back up a little bit? Now, here's what I prefer to see, because I like to see some lower targets tested. I would prefer to see us rip up first and then see if we're going to sell off. Now, with MU's earnings coming out after the bell, I just don't know how likely that's going to be. Just don't know. It's overtaken the U.S. ranking number 1. Huh. It's just the VWAP. The indicator with the bands is the VWAP. You can get it for TradingView as well. So it's free on TradingView. So under TradingView, I normally just keep it clean and simple so everybody doesn't see all the lines and say, your chart's a mess. But under the VWAP setting, let's see, we'll go to ES real quick. All right, here's the VWAP, but if we go to settings, we can put on the, let's see, I can turn on the bands. So there's all the bands for it right there. So just like I talked about on the Ninja chart, we're right here at the second band. A lot of times when we come up towards it, we get smacked back down a little bit. So like when we come down to the second to third band to the downside. Now, one of the things that we can do is get rid of band number 1, clean up the charts a little bit. And now we can see, all right, when we get in these bands, there we go, like that. So we get in the bands, then we can look for possible rejections. And that could be the upper bands or the lower bands. Look, last night, what do? We come down to it, bounce back to VWAP. Last night, we come down towards it, hit VWAP. What did we do last night? We came up towards it, came back to VWAP. So right now, we're trying to come down. We'll see if we come all the way down to the VWAP or not. Maybe we do, maybe we don't. But I have the same view on my chart on Ninja, so I don't need all that filled in for me. So just leave it like that. If you look at NQ real quick, NQ might be making its way back down towards the VWAP. Hey, J Loves, good morning. No, Ninja has the bands as well. So on Ninja, I have the bands up here. Again, that's the second band we were just talking about with TradingView. It's the same. Uh-oh, limbo between the two models. Hey, KD, which model do you think long-term better performs? Daily says we drop. Yeah, we could. I'm just hoping we get a little poppy pop first. I want to see a little pop first. Yeah, we do have the regression channel rising, but we are below the, which I don't mind that for a little scalp long, actually. We're way below that regression channel. All right, I just went long real quick for a little scalp. Let's see if we can get something out of this. Playing off the overbought area or oversold area. You see the green background. Not looking for a big move here. We're way below the regression channel right over here. I wish we had a trade detector bubble as well, but we do not. Again, I'm not looking for that much. I'm just looking for a little scalp. Probably gotta close it before it actually gets to my target, if it makes it up there. Assuming we don't just come flying back down. Nine AM opening should test the daily open as well. Come on, push it, push it, push it. I want my target before that 200 EMA up there. Okay, I'm getting ready to hit the eject button. Let's see if I can just get a few more ticks. There we go. I'll take that. That's all I was looking for. Just a little something. A little something. I'll gladly take that. But again, I like the fact that we are below the regression channel. I like the fact that we are short-term oversold by, I know that by the green background on the chart. And just, you know, place a trade and let's see what happened. Thankfully, it was a winner. Hey, Saad, that'd be pretty funny. US versus Iran. That would be funny. Hey, look, now we do got the 9 count here as well. But we do got to be careful because if this regression channel starts sloping downwards, you know, that's going to start to favor looking for sell side opportunities. We did also come down right to just barely missing a FVG right here. We have another one a little bit lower, 780-ish to 765. Huh. Hertz down 21%. HTZ. Yikes. I remember when everybody was buying this. Oh, they're going to file bankruptcy. And everyone's buying in. We're going to file bankruptcy. Big rocket ship up. That was nuts. I remember one of my friends was getting into trading. He was telling me, hey, what do you think about Hertz? So they're going to file bankruptcy. I know, but it's probably going to pop. I'm like, oh my gosh. Like, you're playing with fire. You know, if they file bankruptcy, you're going to lose all your shares, right? You do understand that. Yeah, MU up in pre-market. 4.29%. Well, actually, look, Intel's up. PXN, SanDisk up. STX, Marvel's up. I mean, all these stocks over here, they got clapped yesterday pretty bad. They did not have a good day yesterday. Did not. We're on the edge of fear and extreme fear. So. Sweep lower, then rip your face off into MU. I do think going into MU's earnings, the market's going to try to rally, but we'll see. We shall see. Now look, the regression channel is sloping downward. We have a downward slope slightly, but we do have a downward slope. Now we have the Dow in the red, down 22. Here's the opening price from last night, 29,770. Hey, Mark, good morning. It'll be interesting to see what happens at the open. Speaking of, let's get our little pull up. What do you guys think? Will we get a pop or will we get a drop at the open? What do you guys think? Just submit the poll into the chat. Let's see what the chat believes. See if you guys can get it right. Me in the first 1 minute candle. You know, here's a little area. If you're looking for a long, be mindful of the regression channel sloping down, but I do think we come up here and test that area. Candle wick to the candle body. You can see right here. We slice through it. We have failed to come back and retest it. So this would be a logical target area. Hey, Eddie, good morning. Short term, we are oversold again. But I've already missed it. You can see too, we also had delta divergence. Thus, price came down and made a new low. Look at the delta. It was not making new lows. So, yeah, ranging quite a bit. Could be, and there's two schools of thought to that. You know, is this cause the break to go lower or to go back higher? What's it going to be? Cause to go lower or higher? So. You expect NVIDIA to dip below 200? I'm really thinking hard about it. I was thinking hard about taking a swing at it here. Thinking really hard. I'm like, yeah, regression channel sloping downward. We're back in the range. I was thinking about going long right here. I'm like, let's just wait. Let's just wait. I don't have to go long right here right now. Let's be patient. We have the opening price right below us, which should act as a magnet down to 770. Yeah, Micron's been, I mean, the stock price has been killing it. We'll see if the earnings live up to the hype today. Hey, Eddie, so Trump's slated to be speaking at 12. Trump speaks at 12, so that means probably 12:30, 12:45, 1 o'clock. Oh. Hey, Neo, good morning. And if we look at the economic calendar, all we have is home sales. New home sales at 10 o'clock. And then crude oil numbers at 10:30. So they don't even have Trump speaking on here, but I see Trump speaking on financial juice. VIX trying to creep up here a little bit. Set long for 12 o'clock. Yeah, you know Trump's going to have to come out and say, you know, we're winning the war again. We're going to have the best deal. We just gave Iran a bunch of money. Now they're going to buy U.S. goods. Going to help out U.S. companies and farmers. So basically, we're just buying our own stuff. Every day is taco day. You guys are going to make me want to have tacos tonight. Yeah, crude oil right now is at 71.07. Substantially lower than where it was at the height of the conflict. Yeah, he's got to keep the markets up. Got to keep the markets up higher. That's all I'm saying. Trying to short the market is the harder path for sure. Yeah, a lot of forces trying to about to go long, Neo. Nice. Let's get it. Let's get it. I am favoring a long this morning up towards this P point and the structure area right here. Candle body to the candle wick. Yesterday, New York session high. You can see we're just kind of coiling up. Market's waiting for the next move. Will it be down? Will it be up? We don't know. We're coming up on the VWAP. VWAP's at 29,779. And on the ES, it's 74.48. So 74.48, that's not much lower. We do start to bounce today. This will be one of the targets I do want to focus on. So 822-ish to about 825. Yeah, maybe take the London lows and then go up. I was preferring to see, let's go ahead and rip the highs and then take the P point and then come back down. That's what I was actually hoping for, but doesn't look like that's going to happen. We have about 40 minutes until the market opens. Hear a little bit of sellers on the tape. I'll say a lot of liquidity on the books on the NASDAQ. Pretty thin. Let's go see. What do we have down below us? Right down here. 470. We have 142 contracts. And what about above us? We have a little bit there at 979. Then at 30,050 and then 30,100. So we're starting to get a little bit of liquidity up and around this zone, but you know, right now we're still miles away from that. We're coming up on the opening price from last night, 29,770. We just hit the VWAP on the NQ. So we tapped the VWAP. ES is getting closer to it, not there yet. And what about the Dow? YM? Yeah, YM's right there near the VWAP. And Russell's on its way down towards the VWAP as well. Epstein was going to blackmail him. And right now we do have the VIX down here just a little bit. Sweltering hot in London. Hey, so what's temperature in London? There goes the opening price right there. What's the temperature in London? Hey, Training Game, good morning. Let's see. Says 93. Yeah, it's about a normal day here right now. Let's see. Yeah, it says 93 degrees. Let's see. Yeah, it's be a little hot. I guess today we have a little bit overcast. The high today for us will only be 91. Neo is longing. I like the idea. Hey, Neo, the only thing that kind of scares me at the moment, are we going to sweep the lows first before going up? Still like this zone up here. I am going to focus on it today. So far, pre-market, one trade, one win. Yeah, we get a muggy. Well, ours is pretty muggy too, where I'm at. Okay, it's pretty humid. But in the afternoon, it likes to rain for 5 or 10 minutes to really get that humidity cranked up. Then you just got steam pouring off the lifting up off the roads, and you can't even breathe. Like, I can't get my breath. Used to hate that. Still sloping down that regression channel. Again, we talked about that when we were up here, starting to get the turn underway. I do like this additional target, but it's just not ready to aim for it yet, in my opinion. Yes, getting pretty close to the VWAP. Let's go double check. Did the YM hit it yet? I think it did. I think the YM's got it. Yeah, right there. Let's see. RTY and ES are getting close. Not there yet. So again, we just talked about off that second band on the ES right here, right down the VWAP. Now, question is, are we going to bounce from the VWAP area, or do we flush and continue down? That's the $1 million question we have to try to answer. So it's got hurry up and wait. Hurry up and wait. Then we visit the second deviation band to the downside. We may. I was thinking that too, Raj. I was wondering about that. That's 651. So 651. It's not enough to take out the lows, though. All right, get a little bit more downward movement. So before I really start going long, trying to angle this, I want to see that regression channel start to flatten out here a little bit. Maybe even aim upwards. I do like my upward targets, but again, if the market's just falling, I don't want to sit there and jump in front of a freight train. Trying to avoid the train tracks. If you guys haven't yet, don't forget to smash the lucky like button. Do truly appreciate it. Hey, Manuel, good morning. We got 98 likes. If we get 200 likes today, we are going to be doing a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. So we have over 200 people already in the chat. So we definitely had enough people on here to get that there. Fresh pattern resolved to the upside. 790, 800 to SPY over the next 5 to 10 days. Let's see this thing. Again, we're just dwindling down. All right, ES did get the VWAP. So all the indices here, they may have gotten it. So there's the ES. Let's see RTY. RTY did not get it yet. So we got 3 of the 4 indices. Came back down, hit the VWAP. So not all of them yet. Hey, Neo, you said you're long, right? I like the idea, but the market's not liking it for us. We have the Dow down 50 points. All the other indices are in the green. S&P up 11, NASDAQ up 92, and Russell up 4.8. So, So we got to hurry up and wait. Hurries up and wait. Yeah, too bad I didn't jump on the sell side. I've seen this starting to break, but that would have been too easy. Let's go look at DXY. DXY and yields. What are they doing? DXY. Oh, wow. Dollar index is pretty darn strong. Oh, what about yields? Yields are coming right back down, though. JD, you think gold bounces? Yeah, maybe. I still want to see gold go a little bit lower. I want to see gold lower. So again, until we can start firming up this regression channel, I'm not looking to go long yet. I do want to target right here. And I do want to target right here, right on that P point, 30,100-ish. So question is, does the market want that level? Had a lot of sideways action. And if you actually look, it's all contained within where the volume was all built out yesterday. So we have a lot of calls being built. How does this resolve itself? Again, if you guys want to vote in the poll, pop or drop at the open. Polls up. Yeah, definitely range bound right now. But it does make it easier, right? Get down towards the bottom of the range, fade it back up, towards the top, fade it down. Keep doing that until it doesn't work. And then once we get the break, run with it. Hurry up is fast. Wait is slow. Oh, you never had a fast wait? Only down she goes. Maybe. Maybe. That could be the case. Hey, Rapid, good morning. So let's go look out here in pre-market. Pre-market, where is everything at? So Microsoft's red, Meta's red. Excuse me, Amazon's red. All the other Mag 7 are in the green. MU's up 3.66. Intel's up almost 1%. Marvel's up right around 2%. SanDisk up 2.72%. Plaque is up, ARM's up, Qualcomm. So everything was getting clapped yesterday. Let's go see SMH pre-market. SMH pre-market's up 0.47%. RSP is up 0.20%. Uh-oh. I hear the chirping. I hear some. Oh, I got a quick little scalp out of that. Again, just playing off the noise, and the EMAs were bullish. I know it's a little bit more aggressive with the regression channel sloping downward, but keeping some nice. So good thing I didn't go for too big of a move. Good night. Good thing I didn't go for too big of a move. We came right up towards the upper regression channel, then smacked it right back down. So now in pre-market, only 2 trades, 2 wins so far. Yeah, a little 9 o'clock volatility spike. And then we came right back down. So how big was this candle? It's a little 1-minute candle with no news. About almost 40 points. We did get crude oil. Crude oil is going back down now. Crude oil is at $70.84. Now, where's that in relations? Neo says he's refilling. Filling up the tank. Oh, man, that's not crude oil. Yeah, crude oil right now is pushing on session lows as we speak. You would think that would be bullish for the markets. But NASDAQ right now is not going up, even with crude oil pushing session lows. I do want to see if we can start firming up here. And we do start, flipping this regression channel. My first target area is 23 up here to about 25, 823 to 825. But not until we can start flipping this regression channel. It's too steep going down here at the moment for me. And if we do bounce from here, that's kind of bouncing off the VWAPs. So if we go look at the ES, all right, bouncing around the VWAP. NQ, we undercut it just a little bit. Trying to get back above it. YM, back above it. RTY, I don't think ever hit it. Yeah, never hit it. Yeah, 300 profit on the candle so fast. End up stop. Oh, that stinks. That stinks. I hate when a winning trade turns into a losing trade. Never fun. Yeah, Smokey J, I'm favoring some upside targets. I don't know if we're going to sweep the lows first or not, but we have the target right here on the 1-minute chart, but then on the 30-minute chart right here, candle body to the candle wick from New York session high yesterday, and right here at the P point, 30,100. So I like it. We'll see if the market likes it as well. Yes, we have that same zone kind of mapped out. P point's a little bit lower. We have not hit the P point yet. And yesterday the ES did not hit the P point either. Barely missed it right there, but nonetheless, it did miss it. We have not hit it yet today. I do favor a test of that P point. I just don't know if we're going to sweep the lows and then go get it, or get it and then, maybe hit on and sweep the lows. I don't know. Let's go look at the overnight volume profile levels and stuff real quick. So on the NASDAQ, as I look at this chart in the 4-hour, we can see the whole huge minus development area within the profile. Look what else we have. Big straight leg down. Lower level consolidation. Could be a little bear flaggish. So be mindful about that. We are building out a little bit of volume at this lower edge of the profile. So just be mindful about that. Now we look at the overnight volume profiles real quick. What do we have taking shape? Let's zoom this up real quick. All right, we're coming right up here. We just got right below value area low, 29,749.50. The point of control is going to be right up here, 29,814. Value area high will be 29,860.50. So look, we started trading back above 749. That point of control becomes a target location, followed by value area high. If we break value area low and we stay below it, well, then I kind of want to target, you know, kind of these candle bodies, the candle wicks right down here, right like this. And that would be 638 down to about 616. Yes, looks more bullish than the NQ. Slightly, but yeah, keep in mind too, the NQ was the weakest yesterday. Out of the four indices. And when we look at the ES over here on the liquidity, we have a couple stacked layer liquidity, but still pretty thin. I like the way it looks. I just wish there was more contracts at each of these levels. So now when we look at the ES, what are we expecting over here? ES, we kind of have a little bear flaggish as well. Big push down, little sideways action, but look what we have at the bottom. We have a lot of wicks down here. So every time they push it down, buyers are pushing it back up. Now, do all the buyers get exhausted and then finally let it drop? We have a large minus development area within this profile. For me, this is going to act as a magnet trying to attract price back up towards this inefficiency in the market. So we'll see if we make it there or not. Maybe we do, maybe we do not. So we shall see. Here's some more selling. NASDAQ going a little bit lower here at the moment. Now on the daily volume profile, where are we at? Have we spiked value area high yet? Yeah, we basically did. 67. Let's see, it was a high. We did. So look, we got above yesterday's value area high right here by a tick. Moving on down, target one is the point of control, 45. Well, we haven't hit that yet. Okay, we're close. We've hit 47.75, so a few more points down there, and then we'll see if we get the full rotation all the way down. Maybe we do, maybe we do not. We'll have to wait and see. Now look at the overnight volume profiles. What do we have over here? All right, 42.5 is going to be value area low. We've already been above value area high, which is right up here at about 74.58. So first target, 74.47.5, which we basically hit. Basically hit it. Then value area low. Now, if we break below value area low and we stay below it, we might want to hold off on being, you know, buy side trades. Yeah, hey, Sam, 100%. Oil and stock have got disconnected. So when stocks were going down, when oil was going down, that's because the market was moving because of the Middle East. Yesterday, the markets were moving because of the chip stocks. So a little bit of a different catalyst. And we'll see if they can get this market. If we can get the NASDAQ all the way down and even the ES basically filling the gap before the market's even open. Because look, if we look at the ETF real quick, SPY. Here was the close yesterday. Here would be the open right now. So we'd have a little bit of a gap up. Qs. Here's the close yesterday. A little bit of a gap up. That was the one that. So the diamonds, we closed there a little bit lower. So we'll see. Does Dow get strong at the open and NASDAQ goes down, fills the gap? We'll have to wait and see. We will have to wait and see. But oil's cranking to the downside. That should be good at some point, but you know, that's not the driving factor for the market here at the moment. We have the NASDAQ coming up on the first band. First band on the to the downside of the NASDAQ 715. Second deviation band is about 652. So again, we just keep plowing lower here at the moment. Oh yeah, gold. Wow, gold's out 159. Woo. Man, we were talking about gold earlier, but it wasn't down that much. Oh man, we might be getting my targets. Again, my target on gold, we talked about this a little bit earlier. I've been talking about it for days, maybe weeks now. It's going to be right here, right around 38 20s, 23-ish, 29, somewhere in that ballpark. Then we break that one. Then we're looking for that high volume spike. And we do have a larger ABC pattern in play. Target on that pattern is 35.80. So Neo says adding some more longs. Yeah, regression channel is too steep for me at the moment. So I'm not looking to add any longs at the moment. Yeah, gold right now is down $157. That's a nice little haircut. Dunk, dunk. They're accelerating the sell-off before we get the open. Before the open. NASDAQ did get the first deviation band. So look at the NASDAQ on this 1 minute, right up here from the high. It's 169 points. That's decent movement. Yeah, gold in meltdown mode. Oil's down pretty good as well. I don't mind that for a little bounce. We're on bar number 9 right now. Yeah, I can't get it. I was gonna say, if we went sideways right here, I might try to take a pop towards 200 EMA as a little counter trend move, but yeah, when it hit over 5K. Well, when the market's screaming up, any asset is screaming up, people think it's never going to go down. They don't understand that it will go down. DXY is skyrocketing. You'd think that's not what people want to see. There's $1 on the daily. See 5 minute. Yeah, 5 minutes going up. We saw the VIX down this morning. Now the VIX implies that today or tomorrow is going to be an update in the markets. So I'm kind of curious to see where it's going to come into play. SpaceX down another 2.86% in pre-market. I want to see SpaceX back down below 135. If it gets low enough, I may actually buy some, but it's got to be below 135 before I even think about it. Five-minute 9 count. We got 1 minute 9 count as well, Paul. Yeah, we're working on bar number 9 right now in the 5 minute. Do I dare? Yeah, get below that initial price. A lot of delta just came in right there on that little sweep down. Makes it hard just to watch. Hey, just go into sim. Practice pushing the buttons in sim. Dang it, I chased it too much. Chased it way too much. I was looking at the delta. We had that big delta. Delta was starting to get a little bit green, so I was looking at the delta divergence. Just looking for a little quick counter trend pop, not much. There we go. There we goes. So 2 trades pre-market, 2 wins. I likes it. I like it a lot. Thank you, Mr. NASDAQ. Again, we got about 15 minutes until the open. So if you guys do want to vote, pop or drop at the open. It's not too late. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. So last night, all we've been doing is consolidating down here at these lows. So calls being built to go up or down. Up or down. We shall see. If we get to 200 likes, we are going to do a Take Profit Trader account giveaway. If not, then we will not. So if you guys want to help out, defeat the YouTube algorithm, don't forget to smash that lucky like button. Do truly appreciate it. YouTube has me in the penalty box. Well, hey, I had a lot of people calling me, asking me, hey, what do you think about SpaceX? I'm like, bro, you don't even trade stocks. Like, what are you doing? Yeah, but it's definitely going to go up. It's like, they don't even watch the markets. Like, what are you doing? Probably not a good idea. Like, oh, it's going to go to the moon. Gotta get in while I can. I was like, all right, have fun with it. I'm not buying the IPO. You do what you want to do. I'm not buying it. I think it's going to blast off initially and then come back down. Then we'll see where it's at. Then we'll see. So now the NASDAQ, if we do start squeezing up today, I am still heavily interested in this area right here. 30,010 is right here in this zone from yesterday, New York session. Candle body to the candle wick high. And the P point right there as well. So buy the breakout. Yeah, you might not get the cup and handle pattern. If it goes down enough, I may end up buying some SpaceX. It's got to go down more though. I want to buy it below the IPO price. I want to buy it below 135 ideally. If I can't get there, I can't get there. It is what it is. Dow right now is down 90 points. We did get the Russell to go down and hit the VWAP as well. So we're getting close to the open. Or closer. I probably won't place any more trades out here in pre-market. See, Russell, all 4 indices did get the retest of the VWAP. Hey, Paul, but did he say in what time frame it'll get 1,000% return? Did he specify a time frame? See, that's the key. Smokey J says long now. Oh, hey, happy birthday, Jesse. I gotta say, you don't look a day over 70. So you're doing good. I hear a little bit of burp, a little bit of burping, a little bit of buying. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, hey, Jesse, you gotta work on your birthday too, huh? Oh, man. Oh, man. Too long to get a present. Oh man, they're trying to rip it. Let's see what we're going to get here at the open. Don't forget to vote, pop or drop at the open. We'll get the initial market on open orders here in just a few seconds. Let's go looky. So the initial, all right, this won't include the NASDAQ. NASDAQ won't move for another 4 or 5 minutes. But S&P, 65 million sell side. Dow, 34 million to the sell side. Ugh. I'll bring it back over here in about 5 minutes and we'll see what the NASDAQ looks like in the updated for the S&P. Free zipper appointment. Oh, man. I don't know, man. That would scare the crap out of me. It'd be 69. Oh, man. Nice. Hey, some people don't make it. You know, some people kick the bucket a little bit early. Nice little rip up. Hey, so one of the zones I do want to watch up here, we start flipping this regression channel a little bit close to the open for me to want to trade this right now, but 823 to up here to about 825, 826. And then the zone that we talked about off the 30-minute chart. We got to flip the regression channel. I want to see if we start flattening this out. If we stay above it, we should start to, should start to change the angle of it. So we shall see. Yeah, stocks bullish. We have Micron with earnings after the bell, so you would think that the market's going to be pretty excited about that, but we'll see. We will see. Do they disappoint or not? Nice. Good job on taking the quick profit on the ES. Yeah, take it before it evaporates and goes bye-bye. Yeah, we're coming back in the regression channel, but we can turn around up here. Maybe we start flattening out that regression channel here just a bit. Don't forget, if you guys want to vote, pop or drop at the open. I'm going to shut down the poll in about 2 minutes. Let's see. Does the majority get it right, or is it the minority? Let's see. We'll know the outcome in about 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Stocks will still up 2%. Had a nice little quick little pop up. Give it back quite a bit of it. No long stopped out. So for me, 2 trades in pre-market, 2 wins. Yeah, liquidity is very light over here on the NASDAQ. Very, very light on the liquidity on the books. It's not a whole lot. We have some down here all the way at 29,470, 142 contracts. 470, man, that's like a mile away. Doesn't mean we won't get there. Look, coming right back down towards the low. It's gonna be hard flipping this regression channel when we're coming back down towards the low. Try a copy trader today. That's a big delta spike right there. The trade detector bubble came in. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the poll. So 61% said we are going to pop. 39% said drop. Let's go ahead and look at the updated. All right, 35 million SP to the downside, 45 million on the NASDAQ to the upside, and Dow 50 million to the sell side. Let's mark it on open orders. So look, we had a big buy a trade detector bubble and a sell. We can stay above that sell bubble. Might force people to go ahead and squeeze up, or was this the traders right here taking profit? Looking for a little scalpy scalp on the way up. Dollar crush incoming. Dollar crush incoming should be good for stocks. Wow, look at oil. Oil's down $3. Down 4.17%. So look at crude oil, just go down. So we get back into the 60s today. Crude oil is getting destroyed. JD says he just doesn't see a short. All right, Neo, see you in a few. So I can't wait for the market to hurry up and open. Hurry up and open. Start squeezing up. I want to target right up in here. We need to flatten out this regression channel. Give me a shot to get up here. Don't just rip up there and not give me a shot. I'll be mad. Think mint model might melt up. All right, we got to break above the swing point right here. Got to get above it. Yeah, actually, I just did. If you want to practice how to use a copy trader, I would highly encourage you to watch this video. Highly encourage. Let me find it. This video come out today. Watch this video right here. I would highly encourage you to do what I show in that video. That way you can get familiar with it, how it all works, regardless of what trade copier you use. I'd still do it like I showed you in that video. All right, right back down. So we have about a minute and a half until the market opens. Be a small short, not worth your time. Think she's gonna go. Let's see. We do have the Dow down 92 points, SP up 7, NASDAQ up 40, and the Russell up 4.4. We're coming up on about 45 seconds until the open. Let's see what they bring us at the open. Let's see what they bring us. I'm hoping for a pop up. I want the regression channel to start to flatten out so I can go long towards some of those targets. But you know, it might sweep down as well. But I'm going to vote pop. We'll see if I'm wrong. I'm going to vote with the majority. See if we all get it wrong. All right, here we go. Get ready, get ready, get ready. The market is now open. Ding, 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 ding. Straight on down. Let's see. Let's see how that, we gotta see how that 1 minute candle closes. We got a big trade detector bubble just showed up. So the Dow's only down 7 now. Dow flipped. NASDAQ did go red. We got another trade detector bubble down here as well. Came right into one of our zones. Man, I really like the trade detector bubble below the regression channels too. Let's see. We got 16 seconds. Looks like I'm going to be wrong with the majority. We got it wrong, folks. I think zinging pretty darn quick. Can't get my order in quick enough. The thing is zinging. Jeez. All right, let's go do this real quick. Yeah, right there. That was the zone I drew out earlier. Candle wick to candle body. We just retested it again. So look, only the ES is up. ES only up $3.75. Oh, Russell just went green up half a point. Knife sliced your hand. That's why we don't catch fallen knives. I mean, I do, but that's why they say not to. I'll get, man, so bad one. I was trying to find my button push right over here. I just couldn't get it. There we go. Come on. Come on. Dang it. I don't know how much I made on it. I was playing keep away, move my target. Got it. Woo. And again, these bubbles down here, what really got me excited about that trade. I don't know how much I made on it, but pretty excited about it. Pretty excited about it. Now let's look to the upside. Here's that target we talked about here in pre-market. All right, the structure breakdown point on 1 minute, 823 up here to about 826. I don't like the fact that we have some trade detector bubbles up here, but we are pretty far stretched away from the regression channel at the moment. Let's see, let's see, let's see. And above that, when we break above that zone, the next zone is going to be right up here. 30,010. Actually, this whole zone. 984 to 30,048, and ideally 30,010-ish. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. Let's get it. Man, I'm pretty pumped about that last trade. So far, pre-market. So far today, 3 trades, 3 wins. That last one was a good one. All right, look, we smashed that target right there. Structure breakdown point reclaimed. Let me go ahead and remove that off the chart. When you remove this zone down here, we tag that as well. Let's see, can they just... Man, we're already back to the second band on the ES. Holy crap. Hey, look over here on the NASDAQ. NASDAQ right down off the second band. Whoop, right back up. Very nice. Yeah, go hit the P point. Let's get it. Can they get it? We're looking right around 30,000. P points 30,010. We do have MU with earnings. Let's go look at the heat map real quick. So MU's up 1.7. So all the Mag 7 are in the green now. So Meta, Microsoft are in the green. Ooh, Qualcomm flipped down. Qualcomm, ASML. Let's go look at Qualcomm real quick. Yeah, Qualcomm was up in pre-market. Got down, trying to push down here a little bit. What about SMH? Yeah, it's almost flat. RSP is up 0.52%. Buy is up 0.49, so that's pretty evenly split. Don't mind that. It's a trap. Yeah, it's always a trap. We can't see the trap, you're probably in it. Man, that first trade out of the gate was a banger. Oh, I made $900 on it. Pretty happy with that. Now the question is, are we going to fail right up here again? Coming back towards the upper part of this consolidation, are we going to fail, or can we finally punch through and get towards our zone up there? NB equals CDD up. Hey JD, what time frame chart are you looking for the ABC pattern? Now, what I wouldn't mind seeing is, let's go ahead and pull a retracement on this 1 minute. All right, can we start to pull back at least 38%? Oops, at least 38%, 38 to 61.8 ideally, and then see if we can get a lift up. That would give us a ABC pattern up, maybe. Trap guy, yeah, sorry to hear that. All right, so look, now all we gotta do is get the turn in. We start breaking back above this area here without going below the 786. So we have a potential ABC pattern. Now let's go ahead and start mapping this out. Now, if we do go lower, we'll have to move that target down. But right now, that target would be about 954. If we come down lower in the fib, we'll just move that down. If we make it down 61.8, target would be about 918. But given where the low is right here, target's gonna be 952. If you notice, that's not that far. It's actually right here, I think. Look, that's very close towards that zone that we identified right over here on the 30-minute chart back in pre-market. So that's not too shabby. All we need now is for this thing to go ahead and start moving on up. And we got it. We got this. Click the fade trade. Oh, man. Hey, Raj, the fade trade long? Nice. Good deal. Oh, wow, Sam. Nice. 560 times 12. Let's get it. Nice. I gotta say, Sam, you've been putting up a lot of green days back to back to back to back to back. Good deal. All right, look, we're having a little bit of problem. We have not taken out the swing high yet. So if we go down and break this low, we'll have to readjust the fib. Actually, I'm just going to get rid of that fib until it looks a little bit more conclusive that we have a low end, and then I'll redraw it. We do have news coming out at 10, so be mindful. We have, I think, new home sales, but it says low impact. Yeah, new home sales at 10. Crude oil inventory numbers at 10:30. Wow, crude oil is down. Crude oil is trying to break into the 60s. Let's go look at that. It did. Crude oil got to 69.84. Woof. Nice. ABC Foreman on the NQ. That's what I'm hoping for, Raj. Let's see if we can get the turn. If we break the 786. So look, if we go down below this area right here, 679, I will not be looking for any type of ABC pattern on the way up. If we can turn anywhere between where we are now and here, Then we can redraw out that ABC pattern and get the target destination on our chart. See, can we find any opportunities towards that area? Right now, we're still coming down. Dow's down 14, SP up 16, and NASDAQ up 50, Russell up 7.9. Neil says, I'm out. So we might not get that ABC target, that ABC pattern playing out that I was hoping for. We might not get it. We go much lower. Now, where that is now, that won't take us much past the high. Hey, good morning. Yeah, we're breaking that. So I'm getting rid of that ABC target. So any ideas that we're gonna get ABC pattern up? We went too low, so too bad, too sad. Regression channel is the angle of it has changed dramatically. Let's see if we're gonna take out that low. We're back down at the second deviation band on the NASDAQ. So if we look right here, NASDAQ second deviation band. Not too bad of a location. Do I dare try another short or another long? I even chased it. Ah. I'll give it another shot. I do like down this area around that second deviation band. I'll gladly take that. Double what I just lost on the previous trade. So I likes it. I like it a lot. Again, played off that second deviation band, hoping for a bounce off the VWAP right down here. So little bouncy bounce we got. So I'll gladly take that. Let's go look at SpaceX real quick. Yeah, SpaceX down 3%. Ooh, MU is down. Ugh. Is SMH down as well? Yeah, SMH is down 1.3%. MU was up in pre-market. MU got smacked down here a little bit. What about SanDisk? Yeah, SanDisk back on the move down as well. What about Fox is on the move up? So the only indice in the green is the ES at the moment. It's only up 5. So low impact news coming out here in about 16 minutes. Let's see. Wow, we're almost at the third deviation band on the NASDAQ. See it right down here. We're almost at the third band. Here you go. Swing along real quick. Well, Scott, not really the best fill on that, but dang it. Trying to move my target. I was trying to move my target and it got me. So, oh well, I'm not going to be upset. Knock on wood, no losing trades so far. Now that could, you guys see what happened yesterday. I was flying high, then loser. Give back a good chunk of my profits. Hey, Adam, I don't think everybody did, but a few of yous definitely hit it. Let's see. Hey, so all 4 of the indices just went green. So let's see. Can I get another little lift here? Dog it. Don't stop me out. Dog it. That would have made money, but I was trying to move my limit up. So I got a little piece. I still like this area down here. Dog it. Damn it. It's really getting frustrating here. I can't move my target quick enough. Come on, Joker. Let's see. I feel like when it lets me move my target. It's getting frustrating now. Still like this area down here. Now I keep trying to go long. And I can't move my target, like right there. I can't move my target quick enough. We get 5 points. Ones where it lets me move my target, I get stopped out. I'll just probably get stopped out because it's let me move my target. Let's see. And try to play the bounce off those VWAP bands. See if we can get a little bit more out of this, and I'm gonna hit the close, maybe. I'll dog it. You joker. I was up like 3 something on it. Come on, just rip. Rip it. Rip it up. Maybe be clear on that. Dang it. I was up almost 400 on that trade too. Up almost 400. All right, I gotta calm down. Yeah, 1496 on MFF. Yeah, I'd stop it right there too, J Loves. Don't push your luck. Man, that ticks me off. We're back at the second band on the VWAP. NASDAQ's the only one in the red. It's just barely red, 15 points. Let's see if we're going to go back and run the lows. Let's see this opening range real quick. That could give me a nice little juicy target too. 238 points. Wow. Let's go ahead and map out our 50% target line. All right, new lows out there. Wow. It's a getting it. There we go. There's we go. So right around 720-ish. I like that for a target. I'm kind of curious. What did MU and stuff do? A little bit. Dang it. I took my target too quick. Dang it. Won't let me move it quick enough. Trying to play with that 720. Trying to take this to 720 at the moment. Dog it. Probably gotta stop. Every time it lets me move my target. I still think we're going to 720 right here. 720 is the target location. See, it won't let me move my target. Takes the crap too quick. I don't want to put on more risk. Wasn't really the best entry on that one. So I keep scalping it. We hit the 720 target. That last trade is more trading my P&L though. All right, whatever. I gotta calm down. I gotta calm down. I'm getting a little bit frustrated. But we got the target I was looking for. Did not get a good sleep last night, so that's probably not helping me at all either. So let's see if we can rotate now all the way back up towards the opening range high. Then from there, I still like the targets. All right, I still like them. We swept the lows from yesterday that we were talking about, and now we're back above it. I do like this 30,000-ish, right near that P point right there within our zone that we identified in pre-market. I still like that. You didn't sleep too? Well, I'm trying to move it. I just can't move it. It's just too quick. I can adjust the target up, which maybe I need to adjust my ATM. I don't want to put more risk on though, because I'm worried if I start moving my stop loss, it's gonna bleed into an ugly thing that I don't want to get back into. And look where we bounced off, right off that third deviation band too. Right there. Now they're just ripping it. Ripping it. Hey, so ES is up 30 points. ES is getting it. We'll look for shorts again. Let's go. Let's go. Hurry up and wait for the market to calm down. Yeah, but it's a big chop range. It's a big chop range. That's what's good about it. Look, this is a wide range. Look right here from the opening range high down to the low, 278 points. Back up to this high, 220 points. That's a lot of opportunity. Not saying you got to get the whole thing, but try to get, 20 to 50, 100 points out of that. Makes it a lot easier than trying to get 20 or 50 points out of a 70 point range. Nice. Good job with that one, Jesse. Wait, caught the long from like 2,800. Oh, for 2,800. I was like, not 2,800. We haven't even been down there yet. I got you. We did reclaim the VWAP. We did reclaim the VWAP. Now, what I will say is on the ES, we're near the third deviation band. Right there, basically hit it. Now, let's go see where we are in terms of the one-day min. One-day max. Didn't get it yet. We almost got that GEX 1 down there. Need to go a little bit lower to get it, but Let's see. Let's see if we can flip this regression channel. Again, next target would be the opening range high, right around 840-ish. Right around 840. Let's see the exact price. 841.5. Now let's go back real quick. I want to see. So MU is now back in the green. MU went red. It's back in the green. Qualcomm's down 3.45%. Marvel's down. I wonder if after the bell, if the market doesn't like what MU says today, that could get pretty dicey. Let's see the VIX. VIX is down 67 cents. Might break out high, maybe. I want to look to target that 840-ish area. Looking for ways to get in for a move up to 840. You know, we're starting to get a little reaction down on the ES. Talked about it being up there in the bands. Yeah, this is nasty. Nasty up, nasty down. And what I don't like, if you're looking, here's what I don't like about the bullish narrative. Look over here on the NASDAQ. Came right up to the VWAP and we are rejecting off of it. That's what I don't like about it. But I still think we're going up there. Not a fan of the rejection off VWAP. Oh, crap. No. God, dang it. Oh, man. My mouse clicked and... Man, I can't believe I just double clicked the mouse. That's what not enough sleep will do to you. God, dog it. That really irritates me. Oh boy, hopefully I don't go on tilt here. Yeah, I gotta be careful here. I accidentally double clicked the mouse and now I gave back all of my gains from this morning. Now the market's gonna rip. I can't believe I did that. I went to go click and my mouse wasn't right on the buy button. So I clicked it didn't go. I moved the mouse and I double clicked. I was like, I need to get in. And then, yeah, that was bad. That was all bad. I go green to red today. I'm going to be highly upset. Be really upset. I'm working on it. I was working on it. I gotta be careful. I'm finding myself getting ready to hit smash button mode. Yeah, we got 3 minutes until 10 o'clock. I'm very, very... I gotta be careful because I'm really about to... I gotta be careful. I feel it creeping in. Again, when I don't get good sleep, it's very easy for it to creep in. Now I'm a little bit irritated with this market. I wasn't too upset until I double clicked the mouse. Well, actually I triple clicked it. I clicked, I wasn't on the buy bid. I was like, I heard it, moved it over. And then I did it twice. I was like, I went right down there and stopped me out of both of them. That hurt. That one hurt. We do got news here at 10 o'clock. I don't think it's going to be a big market moving event. Can you just run up here real quick? Give me back all my money you just picked out of my pockets. Please, please, and thank you. Come on. So we can get back to the opening price, 770. I still like all the way up there, 840, but I doubt I'm going to hold this all the way to 840. I'm not going to try to get too crazy with it. Uh-oh. News is coming out here in about 30 seconds. Fantastic. Fantastic. Oh boy. All right, let's just see real quick. 16 seconds. Yeah, I need to. I'm not good at stopping once I'm down. But yeah, I don't usually have small down days. Usually, or medium-sized down days. Usually it's very small or it's large. I don't have any middle ground. I don't want a down day at all. Ugh, that's not good. That is not good, but the market spiked on it, or the NASDAQ did. That's not a good number. Yeah, go back to opening price. That's what I was looking at for a minute, Raj, and then I almost just hit the button. Good thing I didn't. Good thing I didn't. I was about to hit the buy button. We're gonna go down there and sweep the lows again. They're not done sweeping. They got some more cleaning to do, maybe. Well, was that a win? I don't know if I got stopped out or if no, I made money on it. You're up $300 something and not getting anything. That kind of sucks. All right. There we go. Bitcoin showing risk off. Let's go look at Bitcoin real quick. Oh yeah, Bitcoin's down quite a bit. Huh. Let's go see it on the daily chart. Yeah, I'd agree with you. Bitcoin is showing risk off. SMH is down almost 1%. We're back down close to the second deviation band. Close to it, not quite. ES is just below the VWAP. Get the Dow up 80. We'll see if we can get a bounce down here or not. Come on, man. Don't leave without me. All right, quick little scalp there. They didn't come close to give me a chance to move my order. I feel like every time it gives me a shot to move my order, I get stopped. I'm gonna be paying way too much commissions today. I already see this. Let's see how this day is gonna unfold. You know, if we had already hit my upper target, I wouldn't be looking to go long still. Oh, that sucked. We do have crude oil inventory numbers coming out at 10:30. It's going to be a big market moving event. Crude oil hasn't really been affected on markets. Crude oil right now is at 69.87. Might actually be pushing on low of the day. I'm doing good this morning. That one little thing derailed me. Yeah, crude oil might be getting ready to bounce here shortly. We got 9 count over here on the 1 minute. Let's see, 30 minutes. Yes, not close to sweeping the low. NASDAQ might try to sweep it again. They might be getting out the broom again. You know what irritates me when I'm getting ready to get in? I'm like, I'm gonna get, and then it runs, and then I'm like, oh, I missed it. Oh, I gotta go chase it. Golly, this is horrible. And the way the price flickers over here now in the new update kind of messed with me a little bit as well, but because price is not in sync with the candle. So Tomorrow you're going to buy? No, don't run yet. Don't run yet. Like right now, I'm like, oh, I missed it. I'm getting irritated. Oh, man. Yeah, Jesse was the first one who was telling me about that bug. And then I was like, it can't be that big of a deal. Then once it's real, I feel like it messes with my timing a little bit. What I'm used to. Maybe it's just in my head. All right, but that's my excuse I'm using. Oh boy, I might go green to red. I don't want to go green to red. I don't want to go green to red. I gotta be careful. I do not want to go green to red. I'm on the verge of going green to red after being up. That really sucks. I got a little scalp there. Oh man, it's like a bad dream. You got your broom? Yeah, they're gonna probably sweep it again. I gotta be careful here. We got a big chop range. Usually I do pretty good in choppiness with big chop ranges. Today is, I don't know, it's getting the better of me. I think probably the problem, I'm going for a bigger move than what it wants to give out. I'm gonna take that. That gives back a nice little chunk. Watch, now it's gonna rip. Oh, man. You guys don't even know. If I wasn't on stream, it would be 10 times worse right now because I'd be smashing the buttons a lot more. A lot more. Good thing I got out when I did. So far I have not went green to red yet. And technically I'm barely down here in the New York session. Only down a little bit, but I was up pretty decent. I gotta quit chasing this so much. We do have Trump speaking at 12. Again, they're just chopping everybody up, chopping up the longs, chopping up the shorts. Again, the Russian channel has not sloped back up yet. Has not. And the angle isn't nearly as steep as it was, but look at it, still angling down. I'm trying to catch it before we get the turn. I gotta just be patient. Yeah, expansion leads to contraction, 100%. I'm not even looking for what I think to be a huge move because if you look, this is basically still in. This is just the top of the consolidation over the last, 2 days. So, but my approach has been wrong for the moment. Dang it. Tried to move my target, would not let me quick enough. These price lines are all jacked up. Yeah, near 4th of July. All right, Dow's at 110. I feel like we're trying to still firm up here a little bit. Damn it. Just let me get my friggin'... Didn't feel me. Fantastic. Didn't feel me, and then it's going to rip. You joker. And then I chase it, and then you get me. Oh, there you go. Or at least now I'm back green for the New York session, but... Ooh, no. Cancel. Damn it. This is not where I wanted to order in at. I tried to cancel it. It did not let me cancel it. Ooh. Oh, boy. Oh, the spread on the NASDAQ's not crazy at the moment. Box of pain. Yeah, definitely got me in the pain box at the moment. Still think we're going up to that target though. Still think we want it. Again, right now I'm wrong, but we shall see. NASDAQ back in the red. Dow's up 84, so no trade day. It's too late for that. Still been trading. I'm already in the mix. Look, I said I wanted to be patient, wait for the regression channel. I just can't find myself to be patient this morning. Can't do it. Oof. Wow. Coming back down, so taking deviation band to the downside at 618. Look, when we go down, there's people trying to buy it. They're trying to buy it. I knew I probably should have pulled that order. Damn it. Now on the verge of going back. I'm on the thread of going red today. I don't want red. You made the buffer plus 500 for Apex. Nice. Oh, good job, Eddie. Yeah, don't be like me. Don't keep trading. And give it all back. I'm gonna see the Dow real quick. Let's go look. Let's see the Dow. DIA. It's not as bullish as I thought. Look at the market analyzer. I thought it was up a little bit better. So we're just chopping. So is the whole market just waiting for MU's earnings to come out? Micron's back in the red. SMH. Not quite at the lows. Yeah, everybody's waiting for MU earnings. I agree, they're waiting. We have a little bit of liquidity down here on the ES. 44, and then down here around 40. Yeah, Russia limits gasoline sales. Hey, Ukraine's been doing some damage to Russia's energy. Get in, I'm out instantly. Can't even move nothing. Because that's better than a loss though. So I can't. Even earnings feel just as important as Nvidia. Hey, if not more. Because man, the chips have been running the markets. If the market does not like what they have to say, and I wonder if they beat earnings, but their forward guidance or whatever the market just doesn't like and sinks the ship. Could happen. Very well could happen. All right, come up. The second deviation band is at 615. So around that area, I will look for buys again. Coming back on the opening range low. Get ready for TP. What if we're actually going to make it down here? Candle body to the candle wick. It's a little bit lower. A little bit. We are below that second deviation band to the downside. ES is approaching the first deviation band. The sign will breach the third deviation band, Raj. Oh boy. Here's the low of the day right here. I see if we can get in that zone. I might look for a little pop. I think Take Profit Trader has the best payout policy. So if you like payouts, I think they have the best program personally. Can't believe I just did that. I want to cry. I want to cry. I want to cry. We're in that zone now. This is the zone I was looking at. Are we going to sweep that low again? How close is the ES to sweeping the low? Still a little ways away at this moment. Gotta wait for us to pull back here a little bit. Just quick little dip down. Let me get a shot to get long. Dog it. I want to move my target. There we go. Let's see if we can get a pretty good bounce off of here. Oh boy, one more trade and I'm done. Not done, but I'll be green to red officially for the day. Watch out for price collapse. Rob's just trying to warn me. I'm like, no, it's got to bounce. It's got to bounce. Hey, Jordy, it's part of it. I'm all good with it. What really frustrates me is when I went to click on the buy bid and I was like, oh, I didn't hit it. I heard it and got my cursor. It was just off the buy bid button just a little bit. And then I double clicked on accident. That one hurt. And then that one's the one that really caused the pain and caused me to start unwinding. So I'm not out of it yet. I still think I'll be all right, but it's just frustrating. Just frustrating, especially when I start off the morning good. I could just rewind back and trying to go up and sweep the low again. Let's see. Do we sweep the low and come right back up, or do we just simply big FU candle right down? All right, there goes new lows on the NASDAQ. You know what's funny though? Dow's up 121 now. So Dow's up 121. See RTY real quick. Yeah, RTY is below the VWAP. VIX is trying to start going up. Yeah, ES coming down. Tired of winning yet? You know, the regression channel is still sloping down. I do like the trade detector bubble right down here, but whoa, that's not where I want to get filled at. All right, at least I made a little something on it. Look, we had quite a few trade detector. You know what? That's how messed up I am. I did not adjust the settings. The New York, I gotta put them at 60. Yeah, look, we didn't have them there. Gotta change the ES too. Put it at 150 on the ES. Oh, I gotta keep my hand off the mouse because this is gonna irritate me. Oh, you stupid market. Oh, that's pretty funny. Pretty funny, but not really. I'm really irritated, to be honest with you, but we'll be all right. That's the move I kept trying to catch. A move like this. That would have did pretty good in terms of getting back a lot of those losses. It would have did very good. So look, I still have this in my head. All right, I still think we're trying to come up towards the zone up here in that P point. Doesn't mean I'm right. This is why I keep trying to go long, trying to play up towards this area. $583 to 615. Yeah, 615 was that second deviation band, and oh, I already moved it off the chart. Dang it. Oh no, there we go. But I had that zone drawn out right here as well. Kind of overlaps with your area. 587 down here to about 562. Yeah, crazy fast chop. Yeah, it is pretty fast, Brian, on the fives. That's fast. 220 on the fives. Jeez. Well, look, I didn't chase it up here. So I'm well aware I could go red today. I'm trying not to go red. Trying not to go red. Please, please. Dow's up 205 now. All right, there's the ES trying to get back over the VWAP. We have YM. YM's new session highs, RTY. RTY is ripping up. I think we're going to rip. I really do. I hope we make it up towards my zone on this Mr. NASDAQ. All right, quick another little scalp. 5 points. 5 points is like that. Jeez. Oh, hey, DJ, what's up? Thanks for hanging out. Playing into short? Yeah, I'm trying to get long here. Gosh, it's not really crazy. I just got, like, I was up way too late last night. Way too late. One of my friends I haven't talked to in a while, like, we kept missing ourselves in our conversation on the phone. And he called me last night when he got off work, and then we chatted for Way too long. Way, way, way too long. Do, 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 do. What did I say? Oh, YM has Google in it now? I got it. So Google was added to the YM. Let's see if they have it on here yet. Let's go look. Let's go see. YM. Dow Jones. Do we see the Googles over here? I don't think they added it yet. I don't see it. Yeah, they didn't add it. They didn't update theirs yet. Not yet. From Monday? 29,000. No, my target actually on the NASDAQ is it's really right around 30,000. 30,000 on the NASDAQ, which is pretty far away here at the moment. So. Oh, replacing Verizon on Monday? I gotcha. But we still got the regression channel sloping downward. So I was almost going to buy. I was thinking about buying down here. I'm like, let's just wait. Let's just wait. You know, I'm not far from going red on the day. I don't want to go red. So I can afford to be patient here. Neo, see ya. Thanks for hanging out. Yeah. Almost smacked it again. That would have been a good buy too. Right off here, I hesitated. I hesitated. All right, quick little 5 points. It doesn't even give me a chance to move my target. There we go. There we go. See if we can make it back to the opening price. That'd be fantastic. Opening price at 770. That'd give me I don't like how we're just hanging here. Let's get back where I'm in the green on this trade. Because now we're just dancing around my entry. It just makes me want to close it out before it stops me out. Oh, man. Still think we're going up, though. The market's just fighting. We're on a 9 count right now. We're on bar number 9. Let's see if we get the 9 count or if this closes down too low. Yeah, hit home runs like Barry Bonds. I need the juice. I need the juice. I gotta be careful here. Gotta be careful. I almost smashed the button again. Trump's today's housing news conference and signing is hereby canceled until such time as we pass the desperately needed Save American Act. All right. You joker. You didn't want to just twitch down there and get me real quick. Ah, you mother sucker. You mother. Mutter, mutter, mutter. Raj looking at for an ABC. We're breaking above that regression channel. Oh, let's see. Let's see if we can make it to that 30,000. I still think this is where we're going. I haven't wavered from that. I still think we're going towards 30,000 today. So let's see if we get it. Can we get it? Dow's up 224. All indices in the green. Russell's up 0.73%. Hey, we're coming up on the opening price as well. So opening price is right up here at 770. Or gonna be next stop. Oh, let me move it. Let me move my target quick enough. This is garbage. I don't know. It's price right here. This is 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock open. 770 on the NQ. MNQ, maybe a little bit different. I don't know. This is the opening price last night, 770. Let's just go back and look. First 1 minute candle. Let's see if it's correct. Maybe it's wrong. Yeah, right there. Opening price, 770. Oh, all right. There we go. Let's see. Push, push, push. Rocket one fire. Oh, there goes the opening price. There we go. We got it. So again, I'm looking for 30,000 still. 30,000, 30K. Can we make it to 30K on the NASDAQ? We're back above the VWAP. ES is that second deviation band though. Makes me a little bit nervous. So look, it has me a little bit concerned right now. Yes, that second deviation band. Every time we come up to it, we've been getting smacked down. Even the one down below here ran it right back up. So be careful. Next week. Hey, it could be a bear flag. It could be. But what I'd like to see, so look, if this is going to be a true bear flag, here's what I'd like to see. Again, the market doesn't care about what I want to see. But one, we have a lot of wicks down here, so people will be like, buyers are stepping in. But let's just go ahead and squeeze up a little bit. You know, said, it's going to be anybody trying to go for the bear flag, get stopped out, and then go ahead and run it down. That's what I prefer to see. But again, the market doesn't care about what I want to see. The market's going to do what the market is going to do. So if we make it to 30,000, everything's okay. Yeah, only one touch of the top flag. Yeah, and then look on the 30-minute chart. When we zoom this out, look, this zone right here is right here on the edge of that minus development area. So I like this area up in here. So the bottom of that zone somewhere comes off the candle body right here, somewhere around 981 all the way up here to 47, 30,047. And we have the P point right there at 30,010. Now I'd probably get out before we get to 30,000, but that's just my general destination point we're going to. So I wouldn't try to hold it right there for 30,000. Nice big round number. I'll probably jump out a little bit early, but Hopefully we go higher. Let's get it. Let's just see a big right on up there. Let's get my target out of the way, and then I can regroup. Let's do it. Get the F5. Hey, so the only problem I have that disappears is this one right here. So the uh-oh. Ruh-roh. I just locked it up, I think. Dang it. Oh boy. Wow, this is gonna make it even better. This is gonna make it even more gooder for me. All right, I'm gonna reset Ninja. So I did not reboot this morning beforehand. Did that intentionally. I was trying to see if I could get Ninja to act up, and it certainly did. Certainly did. At least I can still see Bookmap though. So give me a moment. And then we'll be right back. In the meantime though, I'm trying to get this window back. All right. Let's see. At least I can still hear the chirps. Hear the chirps, hear the knocking, if there was any. I got to wait for the NASDAQ chart to boot up and log back into all the props. Yeah, you used to never have a problem with Ninja. No, add more features, create more problems. Yeah, the built-in FPG, I have a problem with it. I always have to refresh it because it disappears. That's why I went to show you guys. And hey, maybe this reset, I'll trade better now. Oh. What I don't like is my candles don't sync with the price line. That's a little bit irritating. But yeah, my bid ask was still moving. Just the chart was froze. So before I was having a problem when connected to all the prop firms, my bid ask would just read 0, but they'd all be green on the connections. I'm like, oh, that's weird. And then this is stupid. My market analyzer window is gonna be jacked up. So I'm not gonna be able to see how much we're up or down. That messes with me. I don't like that. Let me do this. All right. What if I do this? Oh, here's some knocking. I can't take advantage of it, but your data keeps getting delayed. Oh, here I'm knocking. You see the RTY trying to come down. Let's go see YM real quick. I'm trying to roll over here a little bit. VIX is down 76 cents. And let's go see so I can see the NASDAQ. NASDAQ again right here at the VWAP. Having a hard time getting above it. I warned you guys about the ES. ES was at that second deviation band. And the friggin' NASDAQ chart just takes so long to load. So ridiculous. No, I have hotkeys on the side of my keyboard. Actually, I can show you the keyboard. So if you look right here, I have hotkeys right here on the keyboard. So here's my close button. This is my break even button right here. So normally when I'm in a trade, I got my pointer finger going back and forth between these two buttons. So. All right, now I just gotta get reconnected to all these prop accounts. Let's count them up. 1, 2. There we go. All right, I'm back. How is it back? So. Yeah, market's giving me a fit. Actually, it's me. It's not the market. I didn't fat finger. I missed the buy button. I was like, I moved the mouse and actually got excited and double clicked it. Took a loss on 2 contracts, which I didn't want 2 contracts. Then from there, I went pew downhill. So is what it is. That's all good. It's all good. This NASDAQ chart not moving. The NASDAQ chart's not moving. Look, it's not moving. The bid ask is moving, but the NASDAQ's not moving. Oh, this is great. Wait, let's see this real quick. Oh, NASDAQ's not all the way loaded. Until this chart over here loads, it's not there. So probably when I connected to the prop accounts, it locked the NASDAQ chart. I just gotta wait for NASDAQ to fully load. So it's probably good. It's probably gonna make me slow down a little bit. Tick refresh for Ninja really fast. No, I don't. Ninja on their latest update made it where it refreshes a lot quicker, but it's messing up the price line. It's like jacking me up. Yeah, Trump canceled a housing event. Hey, so did he cancel it because I know that's not why he said he canceled it, but because we horrible numbers. So anything with the word house in it he doesn't want to talk about. 3 to 5 MQs for your scalps. Oh, I do that. Hey, Eric, I still trade the MQ too. Where'd my mouse go? There we go. Oh, I think I'm back up. All right, we are back going. See, that chart loads and everything's fine now. Now we can see price moving again. I don't know why it takes so long. Ever since like 3 or 4 major updates ago with Ninja, that chart took forever to load. I don't know why. Yeah, I didn't have to having to reboot Ninja. Really, the last update really started causing the data to lock up. But that NASDAQ chart's giving me a fit for the last 3 or 4 updates. So that's why I want to completely uninstall Ninja and start over from scratch. I just haven't had time. It's gonna take hours to get everything set back up. You get stuck trading with just the Dom? Oh, man. I didn't ask Trump for permission to attack Iran. I told him about it. All right, we're still moving on up. Hey, ES is coming up on high of the day. ES has made high of the day on the ES, which should be good news for anybody trying to play the long on the NASDAQ. Oh, man, my zone's gone. There we go. Right up here towards our zone that we had mapped out earlier in pre-market. No, hey, it's not the delta because it's this chart. I don't have any delta on it. This chart right here Takes forever to load. Forever and ever and ever. Z bonds just keep shooting up. That means yields should be going down, which should be favorable for the markets. And what do we see? We see the markets ripping up. So I'll be pretty excited. We make it up there a little bit more. Let's get closer to that 30,000 mark. Yes is near the third deviation band now. So yeah, hey Brian, but here's the problem. I never had that problem before. That problem, that issue only became a problem recently. But I mean, I do understand I am loading a lot more data, so that's gonna play a part of it. But it was fine before. It would take a little bit longer, but not minutes. Ooh-wee. Get it. Get it. Can they keep on ripping? Yes, keeps ripping. We's a going. NASDAQ's ripping all the way back up the opening range high. Let's see if we hit that 30K mark I've been screaming about. Yeah, I do agree. Yeah, I think I'm getting a pimple on my nose. That joker hurts. Woo. Man. Oh, yeah. It's going to be my eyes water. No, hey, it was before that, Jesse. But before they did the faster to load, oh, yeah, it was really bad. But hey, it was that update that did it, Jesse. That was the one that I started having issues. Whee. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yeah, hey, so on the then change the days. So most of my charts only load 1 day of data. Most, like my 1 minute charts only have 1 day of data loaded. See, 1 day to keep it light. Oh man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. Are we going to make it up here? Look, can we take out the overnight high? Let's see what the price on that is. 891. Can we get above 891? Going once, going twice. Can we get above it? Still like that 30,000 print. 30,000 print. I still like it. Can we get it? All you need is a simple chart. Yes, my chart's not that much. I have some volume profile on it. That's it. The chart that takes the longest to load is the one with the volume. Hey, the ES one loads fine. It's the NASDAQ. Takes forever. I'm kind of curious. Let's go look at the heat map. Let's go looky. Actually, before we look at the heat map, there's the third deviation band on the S&P. We're going to come back down. Let's go look at the S&P real quick. Go look at the heat map. S&P, we had this range mapped out in pre-market before I had to reset. But we came right in that zone. NASDAQ has not made it to that zone yet. I do think we're going to make it up there. We just haven't done it yet. So let's see, Mr. NASDAQ. Are you going to let the ES outdo you? And NASDAQ also made it all the way up here to the third band. So look, anybody look, band 3 to band 3. Jeez. What a move. We look at about 349 points. That's pretty decent. That's what I was trying to catch. Not all of that, but you know. Okay, so how do I want to do this? Let's see if we can break that session high. Can we get it? We got to break session high to get to 30,000. Can the market do it, or is it going to be too weak? 3 more likes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Now, I am kind of curious. Let's I had a pretty decent. I guess that makes me feel a little bit better. Yeah, he has coming into potential resistance. We'll see if we can push through it or not. Maybe, maybe not. Can they push it, push it, push it? Can they keep on pushing it? 3 more likes to go. Oh, we already got it. Oh, congrats. You guys got us over 200 likes. Hey, one thing you guys might want to do too, make sure you guys are still subscribed to the channel. YouTube has been unsubscribing some people and turning off their bell notifications. Oh, crap. I didn't see that. Hey, Jesse, I just saw that you text me. Hey, should we get the birthday boy on here? I don't know if he saw his time. I just saw his text. He texted me like a hot minute ago. Let's see. Oh, let's make sure birthday boy don't try to sneak in. First link in the description box down below where it says giveaway sign up right there. I don't think he's on. Yeah, maybe we can't sneak in on us though, Jesse. We got to be able to catch the birthday boy and spank him. So let's see again, 30,000 looking for on the NASDAQ. Will it get it? Will it get it? Maybe, maybe not. Let's see. Push, 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 push. We are a little bit extended, so we'll see if we pull back first and then try to rip it. Targets filled. Oh, that's a great sound. That is a great sound. Big celebration. Oh, I think he's in here. Hold on. Hold up. Let me let Slacker get ready here. Cause I'd be slacking. Let's see. All right, let's say hi to the birthday boy. All right, Jesse, you're on. Yeah, I just quit having birthdays. You're a little bit of selling. Really? Oh, hold on. I picked the wrong one. There we go. All right,
Okay.
now Jesse's on here.
All right, you guys got me now?
I turned on the video, not the which you're not sharing your video anyways, but I clicked the video instead of just the audio.
Gotcha. What's up, people? Yeah, I gotta work on my birthday, but
Hey, you don't have to. Hey, that's what the phone's for. You call in. Actually, I've never ever called in ever from a day of work ever. Even when I worked at McDonald's,
I think I only did it like once when I had pneumonia.
I still would have went to work. They had to
I
send me
tried. Hey, thanks for all the birthday wishes, everybody.
So how old are you now?
Oh, too old. Too old.
Can you call in? Yeah, I wish I would have called in this morning. Man, I couldn't believe it, man. I was up way too late. I got talking with a friend on the phone I haven't talked to in a while. So I was tired, but I went to go hit buy bid and my mouse slipped away from the buy bid icon. I wasn't looking at it, hit it. It didn't go. And I moved it over real quick, did it? And instant stop out. Instant.
I saw it.
I was like, dang it.
I think that's right about when I said, hey, do you want some company?
I didn't even, no, because I don't know, those time warps. I think that was before that probably. I just seen your text that said you texted me 22 minutes ago. Which I'm surprised my watch did not notify me, or maybe it did. I was caught up in the mix. I didn't see it. I don't know. I don't know what it was, but nonetheless, is what it is. See oil today?
Yeah, I was watching, dude, this is crazy. Last night, I was just watching the NQ and crude both melting down at the same pace. I was like, what is going on?
It just shows you that it's not crude oil selling the markets off, or it's not the Middle East causing the markets to go down yesterday. It was all about chips.
Yeah, it's friggin' insiders. I already know what's happening with MU.
I'm thinking about putting on a micro before the end of the day. Let it rip. I don't know. We'll see. It depends on where I'm at for the day. If I'm still struggling, I probably won't do it. If I'm, feeling pretty good, I might do it.
I got my screen shared if you want to put it up there.
What are we looking at?
Just the ES, how we're in this red zone of mine here.
Is that a sell zone?
It could be target or sell, yeah. Either way. Essentially, it's an untested 5-minute swing high is what it is.
5-minute untested swing.
So for those people that kind of play internal liquidity levels, this would be a potential stop run right here. It's getting ready to do it.
Now, hey, would you confirm that stop run with Bookmap? Looking at the stop loss orders.
Yeah, I mean, this is essentially like a price action stop run. There's a lot of folks out there that play that kind of way, but it's, you could look at Bookmap and see real clearly whether or not it really was a stop run or not. But
hey, we'll show you a screen here in a second. Uno momento. But
the theory is
I'm gonna start peeling off a couple of these micros.
Yeah, there you go.
Kind of desate into it.
Oh, so somebody was asking about that. So you were still in those micros. Good job.
Oh, I didn't see somebody asking about it.
Yeah.
I was up to 7. I was a little bit frustrated. I got a little happy on the button push. But I'm going to target some other ones up a little bit higher. That's going to set me up pretty good. I got to close that out, almost be at session high or close to it. So I want to peel one more off, and I'm going to put the other two up at right around 30,000.
Ooh, they're getting it. Okay, they just took out that zone.
I just took off another one.
There's one more right above us here. It's probably going to go for this one here, which is at 497-ish. Let me get back on my my spot gamma trace chart here. All right, we're in the positive gamma area here. So
actually, you know what? I'm just going to close it.
Yeah.
That puts me at session highs. I'm at 25 after the morning I had. I'm taking that. The micros saved me again.
Good job, dude.
Micros saved me.
Nice.
Hey, one other thing I want to show too, because I did have the I told you I did with this stupid TPT account yesterday. Hey, so the TPT after the stream, I lost $2,000 on those. All the other accounts stayed up for the day, but TPT evals. Ooh, hold on, let me see. I got all these set up over here. Yeah. So the TPT evals made 2,100, so I got all that back that I lost yesterday.
Nice.
Then on the Apex accounts, made $300 today in those. Then on the funded accounts, made about 471 for about 8,000 on those. That's probably why I wasn't in such a bad mood when I was getting a butt spanked. I at least had some good going.
Yeah, now you're back to session highs on the cash account. So good job.
Yes, and I'm good. All right, let's go see Jesse's screen. Oh, I went to click the wrong button. All right,
Yeah, it's about to take out this other previous swing.
Hey, I think if I make this. Oh no, it doesn't do it. Hey, I think I can see your. Uh-oh. I just clicked you off.
You clicked me off.
Hold on. Uh-oh.
That don't sound good.
I'm messing up. Oh man, I just took Jesse off again.
Am I back?
Oh, this is what happens when you don't get sleep. Uh-oh.
I still hear you.
Uh-oh.
I think I'm still here.
Oh, you're here? I lost you. I was trying to make your screen big inside of the video so I could see what you're showing. I've done it before. I closed it out. I wanted to see what you're showing people.
Yeah, we got to figure out.
Oh, there
how
you
to
go.
do
Hey, I
that
just
on
did
your
it.
end.
Hey, I found the maximize button. Okay, I can see now. I can follow along. I can track along with everybody.
So let me blow. I'm going to make this chart bigger. So let's just pull this up. We'll make this bigger here. So this is the zone I'm talking about. We got to get through this SPY HVL level, though. Intraday level from Mentor Q. Whoops. Geez, let me hit the.
I can't believe we're almost back to 7,500, huh? I'm kind of curious.
Yeah, so.
Hey, you know where the one-day max is at, right?
Yeah, it's right below. Well, on the SPY, it's right here, right below us.
Oh, so on the ES, they have it at 7,502.
7,502. This one converts to 490 or 490. What does it say? 492. So roughly the same area. Plus, we got this red zone up here too, which is at the top of that zone is like 497.
Hey, Raj, are you long or short the micros? Yeah, Raj says he's got hold. I'm just trying to figure out if he's long or short. Sorry.
No problem. They kind of reject that zone there.
I'm really debating this. I don't know how bad I'm going to hate my life if I do it.
Debating what, along?
No. Short.
Yeah, so the way the red zones work is that they could potentially be good shorts or could be a little stop run to try to take out the quote-unquote internal liquidity that's built up above that high.
No, I'm thinking about getting like a swing trade on.
Yeah.
Like playing for MU and going all the way down below the lows of today.
Yeah, but they could be trying to trick everybody and trap everybody thinking, you know, the insider's trying to get better prices for a big rip up. So who knows what games are being played. If I had to guess, this sell-off is BS and we're going to rip all the way back up to, 3 days ago, the price levels. We'll see. We'll see. I'll tell you one thing, though. I'm over this whole Iran thing and Israel and all this crap. I just want that behind us.
Well, I mean, the market's not moving off that now.
I know.
It's moved on to another disaster.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, see, Raj is looking for the market to come back down towards VWAP. Well, I kind of thinking. So I'm looking at the ES. ES is we're above the third deviation band on the ES. We're right there at it. And the VWAP is at 74.57.
Let me take a look at my VWAP chart up
Hey,
here.
and on the NASDAQ, we got to the second deviation band.
Oh, Jesus, we're way above it. We're an entire 15-minute candle above above those bands where they were, but one 15-minute candle ago. This is crazy. That was a rip. Huh.
That's why I was wondering, like, can I get maybe a little something out of it?
Dude, the ES, like, if just looking at it comparatively, it like way bigger. Like, it's way better than the NQ as far as its strength right now.
Well, yeah, remember though, NQ was down more yesterday because it's gonna be more weighted of the stocks.
Yeah.
Which I didn't look at SMH in a little bit. Let's see what that's doing. Yeah, SMH is back up 0.2%. MU is down 0.15. Intel's up 2.66. ASML's down. Qualcomm's down 2%. I don't know, man. I think we might go. I think the ES might try to revert back down towards the VWAP, personally. Maybe it doesn't get all the way there, but maybe it gets down towards it. Maybe that's just the bear in me hoping.
I'm watching the Delta on NQ right now. I'm getting ready to take a long from the bottom of my regression channels. If I get a signal, I'm going long here for one more push up to try to take out this red zone above us.
Oh boy.
I'm watching it.
Was that where's your NQ chart?
It's not on the screen.
Oh.
It's I can switch it over, I think. It might take a second to build up. Yeah, but those settings are wrong. Darn it. That doesn't look good. Let me put it back on ES. The NQ chart I don't use over there on that screen. It's only there for when I'm streaming, so I don't keep it up to date with the latest settings and
latest
indicators.
And
yeah. I gotta go clean it up later.
Break it back below the regression channel in the 1 minute.
Yeah, we're right at the bottom of the one on my Renko bars too. So there we go. There's a green bubble. I just need to see some buyers step in and I'm gonna go.
I got a green bubble in the 1 minute too, but it's small.
Yeah, it's pretty small, but it's there. All right, I'm in. Let's see. For better or worse, it's probably gonna take another leg down. Yeah, with my luck. Oh, and I'm on the wrong friggin'
I don't know. I just feel I'm with Raj. Like, I don't know about going long near the second deviation, near the higher deviation bands on the VWAP.
Yeah.
Or sure, I just have a hard time with it.
I'm gonna get these indicators cleaned up real quick, and I'll put it on there so you guys can at least see that trade.
Oh, I think I see your trade now.
Yeah, but I'm gonna clean up the. Oh, it's gonna take me out. Darn it!
Hey, if you move the stop, it can't get you. I'm just joking, by the way. You know that.
Yeah, it got me. Okay, there. Let me refresh the chart now that I got the zones cleaned up. Let's see what happens here. There we go. Yeah, it took out that zone too. So, yeah, I still like it. I'm gonna give it a second try. Stop right down below that spot gamma level. Oh shoot, they tricked me.
I was gonna say I'm worried about the VWAP. We should come back down to VWAP.
Yeah. The buyer stepped.
We've already got the turn started.
Yeah, the buyer stepped in for a second and it got me. I got a little excited.
Yeah, that's what happened to me. I got too excited this morning.
Yeah.
I was green. I was up right around 2,000, and I almost went red. Like I think the low water mark was like $22. Like I almost went red. Yeah. I got it all back. That micro has saved the day again.
Got a little too excited.
So I was like, dang it. But it is what it is.
So it just came down to, all right, let's see. So now I got the signal, but we're still not at VWAP. So but that's opening price. Oh, is this the bounce? Yeah, JD, me too. I really think it wants to come up here and take out this level right up here, guys. Oh, I'm going to miss the damn bounce. I'm going to go. Oh, I don't want to chase it now. Shoot.
That's what I was doing today. I was waiting for a move and start going. I hit it and I should have done it.
I'm gonna go stick my stop behind there, put my target way up here. If it gets me, it gets me. Yeah, it's gonna get me.
I'm telling you, so the market did to me all morning.
Yeah, it might want that VWAP first, but I'm hoping it bounces from the opening price right here.
It might.
I mean, the buyers are trying to defend it, but I was super late on that entry. I chased it.
You got earth.
Oh crap!
You got earthquake.
Yeah, you guys hear that? Listen.
Drop, cover, hold on, shaking expected.
Oh crap!
It's a 5.7 though. We're okay. Oh, it's a 6.0. Woo! It's one county away from me, so I should feel that in about probably about a minute. I'll feel it.
Really?
So this is what we live with out here in Cali, folks.
That's crazy.
Yeah. If that I have to look at those, because if it's above a 7 or an 8, I would have had to jump off the stream and go take cover.
What do you mean take cover?
You got to go stand in a friggin' doorway, like the strongest part of your house.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Why don't you just run out of the house?
Well, that's more dangerous because trees could come down. Who knows, you know?
So what you're saying is you got to cut all the trees off your property and everywhere around it, staying right in the middle. I've never had to deal with earthquakes, so I don't know.
Yeah.
Huh.
So that one was a 6.0 though. Actually, there was two of them. There was a 5.7 followed by a 6.0. And so, dude, these sellers, look at this. Yeah, I think they want the VWAP. I should have.
That's why I said this morning. Them darn sellers. I kept trying to go up towards that 30,000, and then.
Yeah, they got me again. Good thing I was up pretty big from last night.
It's giving you birthday spankings. Bam! Happy birthday! Bam!
Let's see. What am I missing in the chat? I'm gonna. Oh, here comes VWAP now. Do I try again? I don't know. Let's see. We got a blue zone.
It's like, do I really want to do it?
Look, the nearest blue zone is way down here at the low of the session. I don't want to. It could be wanting to go there. I don't want to mess with this. Jeez.
Maybe that's it though. That's all she wrote.
Yeah, I mean that is VWAP. Let's see if buyers get in aggressively, I'll jump on the train.
Choo choo.
Cheryl says, "What part of Cali are you in?" Hey, I'm in wine country, Cheryl. Wine country.
Oh, that's what's wrong. You've been drinking too much wine. That's why you keep trying to go long.
Actually, I don't like wine or vineyards really. I mean, they're pretty to look at, but
so we hit the VWAP. ES is still pretty far away from the VWAP though. I'll say the ES can get down to at least the first band. First band's at 70.
Yeah, let me click over to the ES here. Yeah, it's quite a ways away, huh? ES is stronger than NQ today. Let's see, is this the bounce? Is this the bounce? I don't want to chase it.
No bounces allowed.
Oh, look at that. Come on, give me a little bit of a pullback. Let me try one more time.
So I'm up 2,500 in the TPT accounts now.
Oh, it's gonna go without me. You son of a biscuit eating bulldog.
I got everybody eating biscuits around here.
Buttermilk biscuits. Jeez. Okay, hold on. Here's a little bit of here we go. All right, I'm gonna give it one more shot. Stop below the swing. Target way up here. Oh, I'm late again. I chased it, and
That's
I'm in trouble again.
That happened to me this morning too. Same crap. It's like I'm not gonna chase. Okay, I'm in. Like dang it.
Hey, the FOMO is real.
It's crazy how the market does that to us. Oh, you know what? I didn't realize.
A painter says 30 years in Santa Rosa. Wow, okay. So you probably got that earthquake notification too. I'm right near you. Paint flow. I don't know. Painter. I'm just gonna call you Painter. Falal says, get short, Jesse's long. Yeah, tell me about it. This will be a third loser in a row.
Oh, I had my share of loses today.
Paint says paint flow. Okay, paint flow says born and raised in SF. Sweet. Okay, here we go. I just got a little signal long here based on volume and delta. So let's see if it works out. Pete, all right. Pete the painter. Yeah, we're pretty near each other there, Pete. Did you get the earthquake notifications also on your phone?
Oh, that was on your phone that displayed it.
Oh yeah, our phones do all the
That's like, it's almost like our Amber Alerts that we get.
Yeah, we get those too. I mean, you got to have that feature turned on your phone, but all right. I mean, I'm greening a little bit.
We're trying to bounce out that view up.
I don't like this red bubble. Hopefully, we can stay above it. Oh shoot! Shoot!
Oh, so much funny to listen to somebody else go through the same crap I was going through this morning.
Oh, Pete's not in Cali until Newsom's gone. Yeah, I hear you, man. I've been trying to wait it out, but man, oh man, it's getting tough out here.
Oh, he's the best ever.
Oh, sure. I wasn't born in California, but I've lived here my whole entire life since I was a little kid. And the last, I don't know, decade or so has been the absolute worst quality of life downturn I've ever seen. It's unbelievable what this state has turned into. It's crazy.
If they make him president, oh man.
Oh hell no, dude. There's no way. No way.
There's a way.
He's been a complete disaster. Even the Democrats know that. Let me finish my coffee, folks.
I hear him chirping it up.
Yeah, they're trying to go. Let's go.
So, hey, here's what I'm going to do real quick, Jesse.
Yeah.
I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut your video off because we're going to drop the code for the duck race.
Oh,
PPT
yeah.
40 off.
Do your thing. Let's go. Good luck, duckies.
All right. Simple Trader is going to be duck number 1. Now, if you guys want a chance to enter the duck race and win, you got to be signed up to the email list down below. Otherwise, if you win, you will forfeit. And your email must be confirmed. All right. Otherwise, you simply forfeit. So. All right. Simple Trader. Let's get it. All right. Number 2. Now, Nightbot's going to pick out 10 random people. I'm going to pick out another handful myself. Oh, NASDAQ's trying to come back down.
Yeah, I was up pretty good on that one, but I was, being greedy.
I had a couple of those too.
Trying to get those 2 losses back.
That's what happens. I'm not as greedy until I have losses. I'm like, oh, I got to get this much to get that back. It's not good. So, I know it's a sickness. I just can't stop it.
Yeah. Also, by the way, for any of you who don't know about earthquake, so a 6.0, if you're right near where it hits, that's pretty strong. But this was, I don't know, about an hour driving distance away from me, so I never even felt it. It dissipated before it got here.
How often do you guys get the alerts? Just ain't right, you got spot?
It's pretty often.
Really?
Most of them are small, though. We're just waiting until the big one.
I remember back in the 90s when the earthquake hit, took out the overpass or something.
Oh, yeah. We've had some big ones.
remember hearing about that on the news.
Yeah.
All right, Jordy has a spot. Let's see how many people Nightbot's picked. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, Jesse, you gotta pick somebody.
Oh yeah. Let's see. Let me look through the chat here.
Are you guys gonna quit typing in?
I'm gonna give it to shut the beep up. STFU 2260.
All right, hold on. STFU 2260.
60. There you go.
All right. Let's see. Oh, I just seen it. Miss K, I'm gonna give you a spot in the duck race. Let's see. Who else? Ace, I'll give you a spot. PS Pinda, I'll give you a spot. Let's see. Raphael, I'll give you a spot. Ooh.
Okay, make sure you guys hit live on the stream so you haven't fallen behind. You can stop putting in the code too.
Yeah, Kim, I'm gonna give you a spot.
All right, Kim's in.
Oh, I think I messed up. Hey, who did I say after Raphael?
Uh,
One, two. I don't think I did. I think I went to Kim. I just copy and paste the wrong one. That's why.
Kim.
Yeah, Kim, I have that one. But I went to go to Kim and see it said TPT 40 off. I was like, oops. Let's see. Scrolling through. Apple's already on there, right?
Sod says, I'm finally here, Mike.
Oh, Saz, yep, Saz is getting a spot then.
Yeah.
I tried
saw that.
last couple days. I've tried to put him in.
Yeah. I'm
He's
glad
never-
I saw you there, Sods. The chat was moving pretty good.
All right, let's see. I'm gonna put manual in too. All right, there we go. We got quite a bit of people in the duck race. Let's see. No book map blocking it.
How many we got in there?
I don't know. I just picked some random people. I have no idea.
All right.
We have a pretty good lineup. Oh, we have a no-name duck too. All right, on your marks. Get set. Beep. I hate that.
Let's get it.
All right, there you go. Got rid of the sound. Perfect. Oh, Sod's in the lead. Sod's is trying to get the lead.
Hey, Raj says the no-name duck is me.
Hey, we'll make the no-name duck Raj. I'm fine with that. Raj only won one time. I think it was by default because somebody else didn't show up or something. It was on the email list or something. All right, let's see. Uh-oh. Panda Duck out in the lead. Can Panda hold on to it?
That's Kim, right?
Yeah. Uh-oh. Number 3 is trying to take the charge.
Oh, boy.
Uh-oh. Can Adam hold him off? Uh-oh. Adam for the win.
Wow. Nice race.
Let's go. I think Adam's won before too, so I think I might have your stuff, Adam. Let me see. I gotta remember too. I had a winner from the other video. Hey Adam, let's just do a quick 2FA just to make sure. Oh wow, that was a pretty quick little caught my eye when the market just went down real quick.
Yeah, I've had multiple opportunities to get out in the green and I just didn't do it. And they just got me. Darn, 3 losers in a row.
Hey Adam, I just emailed you a code. Just type that into the chat.
Oop, there we go. Oh,
So in
shoot.
Saturday's video, I plan to give out a Lucid and a TPT account. So you guys definitely want to watch Saturday's video. I got a video coming out here in 12:30. Another shot to win. All right, perfect. All right, got there, Adam. Let's see, has he won Take Profit Trader in the past? I create account. Should complete. Let's see. Oh yeah, I do. Perfect. All right. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Hey, so what time do you have to go to work over there?
Me?
Yeah.
Whenever I want. It's my birthday.
Oh, that's the kind of job I need.
I got a meeting in about an hour. So
Hey, just tell them, hey, you gotta wait. It's my birthday. Hey, just do it like Trump. Means that Trump's supposed to speak at 12. We know he's not going to be out until 12:30, 12:45, 1 o'clock. Maybe cancel it. Actually, I do want to see. He did cancel something today. He canceled 12 o'clock. Hey, Trump's speaking at 12 is gone. That must be what he canceled. Because he was set to speak at 12. See? Just be like Trump. Just cancel it.
Hey, what's up, Miss K? Thanks.
Oh, just for the record, your duck did not win, Jesse.
Oh, I know.
I don't know if anybody else noticed that.
I sound kind of, to me, I don't know. Tell me if do I sound like I've got allergies? Like I sound nasally.
Oh, you
today.
sound older, but that's about it.
Yeah, I'm a year older. Oh, there we go. I finally getting a winner here. I'm up 1,900 on this trade.
Hey, Ace, we're having another pick out of today's video that drops at 12:30.
Come on, rip up there. Don't give up. Come on, buyers. Don't give up.
Don't give up. Don't give up. You can do it. You can do it. All right, I got an email. I keep getting sidetracked. Squirrel.
I got long again down there at the bottom, guys. I saw the Delta momentum flipped over. So
You want to show your screen or?
go ahead. Yeah.
Let's see Jesse's trade.
And then just like we always do, right? I put 2 on instead of 1, trying to get back those 3 losses.
So I didn't do it on when I did it today. It was truly an accident. I didn't mean to. I missed the buy button. I was like, ah! And I hurt up and moved the mouse. And I was like, oh, as soon as I went click, I was like, uh-oh. And it went, I mean, it was instant. They didn't let me think about it. I mean, it was just my stop loss.
Yeah.
I was like, whatever.
Dude, these guys, if they give up the ghost on this long, I'm going to be depressed. I mean, look, we're right at the top of the regression channel in the red zone too. Right back to opening price. It's probably going to come all the way back down. Jeez. I was up 2K on this trade.
Really?
Yeah.
Holy crap. How many contracts?
2. So $1,000 each-ish.
Wow.
Eric says, how many software engineers does it take to screw in a light bulb? I don't know, but I'll probably laugh at this. What you got, Eric? Yeah, okay, they're pushing it up. I'm up 2,600. I'm going to peel. Well, should I take it, guys? Should I take it? I mean, you see my target's way up there at that fib, 50% fib. I might be getting a little too greedy here.
Hey, so where's your target come from? I was doing the email.
It's a 50% fib between the highest support, highest resistance zone and the lowest support zone is what that is.
They're trying to get it up there.
Yeah, I'm nervous.
Don't be scared.
I'm closing it. I'm closing it. All right, I'm back to session highs.
Yeah, hey Adam, I found your TPT info. From it, looks like back on May 15th. So I scrolled through the email and oh no.
I close it and then they rip. Oh gosh. Always. Always.
Oh boy.
Yeah, Eric, that would have been a smarter idea. I should have
think
just
I messed
manually
up.
trailed it up by a few bars. Yeah, darn it. What a friggin' rip. So there's that fib right there, which is 50% between that red zone and this blue zone.
Can't believe I
That's
just
how those fibs draw.
did that. Dang it. Ah.
Do. I got that whistle song stuck in my head. JD says one more bounce off VWAP. I'm thinking if it comes, they probably want to take out this little swing low right here, maybe bounce off the opening price if it really is gonna go long, or we could just keep rotating the value here, right? This value area. Yeah, Eric, I saw that. Sorry, Mike was. I didn't want to interrupt. Mike was talking about the giveaway, but yeah, that.
I sent in the wrong from the video last night. I sent in the wrong name from an older one, so I'm trying to email him back and say, "Hey, the second one wasn't that one." So I had Adam correct, but the other one on my email. That's what happens when you're tired.
Okay, so there's opening price, right? Let's see if we get a bounce here. JD, you might be right. It might want VWAP one more time. Let's see what happens.
No, it wasn't your name, Thomas. It was I can't even pronounce their name. I don't know. I can't pronounce it.
J Love says my duck is ready. You missed the race, dude. You missed the race.
Yeah, we went swimming yesterday. I go swimming again today. So I'm probably not going to trade this afternoon. After the morning I had and the micro got me back, I'm just like, I'm good. Don't mess up. Don't mess up, a blessing. So let's let it be what it is. It is what it is.
Look at this. Look at this, JD. Look at you go, buddy.
What's he doing?
Yeah, called out this VWAP touch. I was like, I was thinking it would bounce from the open price. And here we go.
Hey. Don't you ever second guess him.
I'm watching the Delta build down here. I see this thing flip blue near that VWAP. I'm going to try another long. I'm watching it. Come on. Thanks, J Loves. Raj, I don't know what. Oh, that's gonna go without me. I missed it. I was too busy looking at the chat.
Yeah, that's what happens sometimes.
Yeah, that's okay.
I don't know, but we have MU earning. Wow, Dow's up 570. Holy crap, Dow's up 1%, and we have the Russell up 1.3%.
Wow, yeah. So money's shifting from the S&P over to those.
Really for the NASDAQ.
Yeah, from the NASDAQ too.
I mean, S&P's up 0.71, which isn't quite 1%, but
yeah,
it's doing a little bit better. Still wonder if the ES is gonna. Hey, Raj, what are your thoughts on the VWAP touch on the ES today? We're hovering around the second deviation band.
Hey, we're way above the NDX and the QQQ one-day max. If that
Really?
That doesn't make any sense to me. There might
Hey,
be something wrong with it.
I got the 1 day max all the way up here.
No, I'm talking about Mentor Q's intraday levels.
I got it 30,181.
But see, these levels update intraday though, based on 0 DTE and all that stuff. So I'm not sure. Huh. I'm gonna have to go look at that.
Yes, will remain sideways or go lower. What Raj is thinking. I wonder. What is the hero doing, Jesse?
It's
going
dumping
down.
out negative 822 million. That's not a ton of options flow, really. I mean, it's kind of a well, we're waiting on
just over 1 billion down to not quite down 1 billion yet.
The market's kind of waiting on this MU stuff. So,
oh, hey Tris. Yeah, I need to eat something too. I'm hungry. I'm not gonna eat. I don't know what I want to eat yet. Ooh, Chipotle does sound good. Might get me some Chipotle today.
Some Chipotle.
Maybe. I have to ask the wife if she wants Chipotle. She'll probably say yes. I'll tell her, all right, you buy. She'll be like, that's fine. I get your credit card.
My challenge starts today. Used your code there, Mike, for the AI copy trader, trade copier.
Oh, nice.
But then forgot to use it for the for the key levels. It happens.
I wonder how many people got chopped up today with a hot mess.
Well, if you just look at the volume profile, it broke out the bottom of it a couple times, broke out the top once or twice. So
if you're not using a stop, it would be forgiving today, not really account busting.
Yeah.
Or less likely. I mean, you can still bust accounts, but
yeah.
If people are just DCing, it's giving you a lot of chances to, get out.
Yeah.
Should test 7480 on the ES. Let's get it. Let's
go look at the ES chart over. Are we still on my screen?
Yeah, it's on your screen.
So here's what the ES is looking like.
You're the birthday boy. Of course we're watching you. It's your party.
So we came up, tried to test this red zone up here, right? It acted as resistance, came down and formed this new support zone that we came down into, rejected out of there, back up to this red zone, acted as resistance, and now we're just kind of ping-ponging.
I really think, though, it's going to be a lot on MU. Like, what is MU? Is that going to be a big rocket ship after the bell, or does it come cratering lower? I don't know. Hey, JD, I don't see any ABC pattern at the moment up. Actually, that's not true. On the 1 minute, you can't see my screen, but on the 1 minute, there could be, but it's not looking like it's going to validate, break the high. We have to break above. Never mind. I just broke the lower swing. It's breaking lower swing point. So it's not going to be. I don't see it. We're back almost at the VWAP too. And the ES is still pretty far away from the VWAP. I wonder about Dow. So YM. Yeah, we're way far away from VWAP on YM. RTY. Pretty far away on RTY too.
I'm kind of liking this area on the ES for a bounce, but I'd like to see
up
it,
or down.
Yeah, up. I want to see it come down one more little leg here.
I don't know, man. Those deviation bands have me nervous about looking for a buy up there for me.
Yeah. Oh, shoot. It would have been a nice one. That's trying to go. Dang. So on the right side of my chart, guys, this is the volume profile for only the visible range of the chart. And so we're clearly in value here. That yellow line is the point of control. So even with all this down here and this big rip up, most of the volume is still right in this range we've been in. So
yeah, it'd be a little ways to get down there on the ES down to VWAP. Hey, now if we stay sideways, VWAP can catch up to the ES.
yeah,
The ES could stay here and VWAP just go up towards it. That's a
Yeah.
possibility as well.
and if it keeps rotating this value area up here, then that's probably what's going to happen. So if we dip down in here anywhere near this blue zone, I'd consider another long here on the ES. Same thing over here on the NQ. It just created another. So NQ created this blue zone down here. And we've got a red zone still way up here, though. We'd have to take out the high to take out this resistance zone on the NQ. So let's see. Let me go back and look at ES. I'm feeling safer with the ES. I mean, I got those 3 losses back on the NQ, but it just seems a little more dangerous. Here we go. Here we go. Support zone incoming. Let's get it.
Oh,
It
what's
dips
up,
down.
Tiff?
Dips down into here. I'm going long. I'm gonna send it.
You gotta send it.
I'm gonna
boy.
send it.
That's how all good things start.
I'm gonna full port this bad boy.
F it. Send it. You're like, oh, why did I do that?
Hey, Mister, the support zone, the support and resistance zones, it's code that I wrote myself. It's basically just, it's based on 5-minute swing levels, untested 5-minute swing levels. ChatGPT can help you write that code. Oh, there's a green bubble in the blue zone. I'm sending it. I'm gonna add one right here.
So I'm with Raj though, so it just pains me. Oh, that you want to do, even though you could be right. You could be right. Just can't do it. Can't do it.
I'm gonna stop is right there. I'm gonna add one if it tags there halfway through the zone, which happens to be value area low for this range.
All right, I want to see this. Put you on my big screen so I can really see it. I can see your trade a little bit better.
Dang, it missed my ad by like 1 tick. That's not fair. Come on, give me that ad.
My ad just be like, oh
Yeah.
man, why did I add?
Yeah, well, that's the risk I'm putting on, you know? I mean, that's sure. But I like it. That's value area low where my ad's at, so. There we go. I got the ad right at value area low.
Yeah, but you don't think about that whole minus development area being re-auctioned?
Could right here. Yeah, could right between where we're at and my stop. Yeah, definitely could. But we've had.
I was saying even all the way down to like 74.70-ish.
Yeah, down.
Look at your
Yeah,
screen.
that's a big minus development area. Where it's this whole rip we had up right here. So it definitely could be. That would be a fair value gap right there for sure. But that's not how I, that's not how I particularly trade. So that's outside my wheelhouse. I like to play the value areas. So in my experience, more times than not, we just continue rotating through value until it finds its next fair value area, whether that's up or down. We'll see. Probably down in my case. Probably down for this trade. But that's a pretty big fair value gap right there too. I mean, that whole area. So anybody who trades those or knows how to trade those, there you go. And that was created on this big rip up we had earlier this morning on ES. So we left the previous value area, right? Ripped up and started creating a new one. So my bet here is that we rotate back up. So we'll see. We shall see. Yeah, so far it hasn't really it's looking more like a fair value gap scenario. It's all right, it was worth a shot. Hey, there's another green bubble.
I mean,
Maybe
every
I'll-
trade, that's what other people need to understand too. No matter what you trade, not every trade is going to work out.
No,
It doesn't mean there's anything wrong with it. It's just, that's just how it's going to, sometimes it's going to work, sometimes it's not. How do you manage the risk?
yeah. And if you find, like me, I find that this works more often than it doesn't. And so as long as I honor that stop loss,
I love how
But
you
I'm
say,
look-
as long as.
yeah, as long as I honor the stop, take the stop. If it doesn't work, I'm out and move on to the next setup.
Yeah.
There we go. There's buyers stepping in now. I'm watching. I always watch this too, guys, on Bookmap. So that was a briefly lived. Buyers came in and then said, never mind. We give up.
Darn sellers are too strong.
Yeah, they gave up pretty quick. It's looking like it wants
Well,
to
hey,
go
we're at the
still-
first band now on the ES. We went from the
Yeah.
third band, hovered around the second. Now we're at the first. Do we make it all the way to VWAP? NASDAQ right now is below the VWAP, working down towards the first band below us.
Yeah. If it takes out my stop, it's probably coming all the way down to here. What were you? This would be 468. There we go. It took me out. So 468-ish probably. It's going to fill in all this.
Hey, so I'm
Minus
up
development area.
$3,000 in the TPT accounts now.
Nice. Good job. Now, if it just stopped me out and then rips all the way up to the top of the value area, I'm going to be pissed.
You know that's what it's gonna do. It's like, all right, push, poke. Oh, we got him now. We're gonna get the whole account.
Yeah.
That's what they do.
I mean, you guys can clearly see on the volume profile over here. There's no volume through here.
That's why it should go back and revisit and efficiency in the market.
Sometimes it'll want to do that. Sometimes it'll keep rotating value up here. So I just made the wrong choice.
Well, hey, so I don't think that you would have been. How many accounts have I traded today? 5 TPT, 5 Apex, and 16 funded accounts. So I don't think you would have been wrong. I didn't like the fact that we were so high up in the bands. Like
Hey, look at this.
if we would have been more neutral, like where we were in the bands, I think it would have been good.
Well, it still might be good. Now it's trying to push up again. Let's see what happens.
Well, the first time we come into minus development areas, quite often we start to bounce out too. So I think we keep coming down, fill it in a little bit, bounce up.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And then just keep chipping away at it until it comes all the way down to 468-ish.
Yeah.
Fill it all in. Yeah, it's possible.
Or at least get 3/4 of it filled in. Make it a
So
little bit smaller.
Had I taken my trade over here or over here, it would have worked out.
Hey, can you show people the you might have it up there. Yeah. Say scroll down to your book map a little bit lower. Like your scale, you can see a big order down there around 74.50.
74.50?
Yeah.
Oh, it's way down here.
Yeah.
Yeah. 226.
Yeah. And then if you look at, you kind of have that little distribution on the profile down there around 67-ish, maybe in your chart, it looks like.
Right here. Yeah. Well, there's the push. Gosh darn it.
Yeah, but look, they made that minus development area smaller now. See how it keeps getting smaller?
Yeah, filled it in a little bit right here. Yep.
So now what I'd be on the lookout for is, I don't know that we do, but if we do we end up setting another lower high? And if we do, then I'd be more inclined more inclined to sell it back down. Get back down that minus development area and keep chipping
Look
away
at
at
this friggin' push all the way up through value.
it.
Jesus
That's what happens. They
Christ.
just gotta wash you out first.
Well, I didn't want to put a bigger stop in.
That's the way I am. I don't want to keep.
Yeah.
I don't want to move it. I did a good job of fixing my disastrous problem I had for a long time.
Yeah.
I don't want to revert back.
I mean, I kind of thought they'd try to take out this swing low right over here, right? And they did, and then just took off.
And that's another sign though too. If you break a swing, you get below or above it, depending on if it's upper swing or lower swing, and then you come back above it. That's a bullish sign too.
Yeah. Well, the bottom line is I front run it instead of waiting for it to pop back into value, then go long, right? So that's my fault. That's one of my big problems is I try to front run the signals. I try to get ahead of it. So I got to get better at that.
I think we all do this to some extent.
Yeah. What I should have done is wait for it to come down here and then come back into value, then go long. So one of the things I can work on.
I mean, trading's always a worker. Like we're always working on it.
Yeah.
That's what's funny. Some people are like, oh, you're profitable, so you don't have to do none of the hard work now.
No, that's not true at all, right?
Not at all. It's like, I know what's going to happen. I might be a little bit early, but bam. So I used to have a full-time job. I would get in early, but man, I got to hurry and get back on this. I'd put it on and just use a little bit bigger stop, bigger target, go do whatever I got to do. Come back. Dang it. If I could have been watching the screen, I would not have put that on. No, truth be told, I probably still would have done it.
Look at this. It's going to push all the way up, isn't it? All the way to the top of this value area. Oh, yeah.
Well, in the 30-minute chart, we still have potential hanging man candles up here too. The 30-minute.
Yeah. Raphael, yeah, I was right. The problem was in order to be right on that trade, because I front ran it, I would have had to use a bigger stop, which could have been very dangerous because of this fair value gap we had, which it could have flushed all the way down, right? That would have been disastrous with 2 ES contracts on. So I did the right thing by taking the stop right up here. It's just, man.
That's all good.
It's all right. You win some, you lose some. So since I've been on, I had 3 losers on the NQ, and then that one big winner for, well, I don't know, $2,600, and then just lost on the ES. So 4 losses, 1 win. I think it's pretty much a wash, roughly. Man,
Still
look
got
at
my
it go.
regression channel sloping down on the NASDAQ. What about the ES?
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, sloping down a little bit too.
Yeah. NASDAQ's coming right here. Let me switch to my NQ chart. It's coming right into this red zone here of resistance.
So hold on. So on the NASDAQ, you'd be looking to short that possibly, right?
Potentially, yeah. But it's
Yeah.
also the top of the value area. So on the NQ also.
See, I like that one better. So that means it probably won't work.
Yeah, there's that green bubble. All right, I'm gonna take it. I like that. Whenever the buyers jump in with a big green bubble at the top of a move, you know
I like
they're
that
wrong.
too. I like that too.
So we'll target opening price down here. Actually, no, that's too aggressive. I'm going to target this PO, the point of control of this range. And then I don't like the risk to reward because technically my stop should be above this red zone. But there we go. Here we go. Let's go. 300. Come on.
I don't know. I think I'd.
Come on. 385, $400. Boom. Session highs.
See, I think I would have left it. I would have front ran that opening price just a little bit.
Yeah.
But you also have that big bubble right there too, to the left, right where we're at now.
Yeah.
A big bubble area. So I kind of like that as well.
Yeah. But that was the safer target.
Hey, I'm with you though on the big bubble. The big bubble coming into, like, if you're looking to reverse it down, it's screaming up. You get that big bubble. I do like that.
Every time I take every one of those, if they're in one of these red or blue zones, we get a big bubble. I take it every time. Every time. Especially if it's the wrong side, right? And so if it's buyers at the top of a move, I'd short it every time. If it's sellers at the bottom of a move, like right down here, look at all these sellers trying to get short at the bottom of the move. They got their faces ripped off.
Yeah, it happens over and over again.
Yeah.
That's what happens when you chase it. That's a prime example. What happens? You can visually see what happens when you chase a move.
Yeah. Okay, so ES just put in a 5-minute swing down here. That's what this blue zone is. So that's a new area of support. And it just happens to be at the bottom of value, and then this red zone's up here above value. So again, my thesis of rotating in this value area is holding true. I just had, I just had to honor that stop.
Double bottom on the socks. If that double bottom holds on the socks, JD, we're probably gonna rip higher on these indices. Get the NASDAQ ripping.
And look where ES came all the way up to the point of control of this range and then turned back down. Oh, there's a new POC. It just moved down. All right. Well, I did 27K on the sim account today. Not bad. Oh boy.
So hey, how do we figure out how to remove the money from the sim account or
Yeah.
a bank account? How do we do that?
And split it with all the loyal viewers.
Let's do it. Hey, so can you get that done in the next 5 minutes?
I don't know.
We're trying to come down here a little bit.
Jesus, time flies, dude. I gotta go get ready and head off to the office.
Ah, forget work. You call it. It's your birthday. No, that's all good. Here, I'll take your video off. Let me see. Yeah, it's almost lunchtime right now.
It's getting there. All right, back to Mike's charts. Hey, I gotta head out, everybody. It was good to see you all. Let's do it again. Hey, Mike, you're not, you around tomorrow?
I don't know yet. I haven't decided.
Okay. All right. Happy birthday. Thank you. Appreciate it, guys. Hopefully we don't get any more earthquakes. Usually they come in, we get one of decent size that'll trigger some other ones. So wish me luck out here.
That's crazy. Have you ever been driving on the road when you had an earthquake?
I have, yeah. I felt it too.
Oh, that's nuts.
Yeah, the bigger ones, you can feel them when you're driving because your vehicle rocks back and forth. You're like, what the?
So I've been on I don't know if it was Universal or one of the theme parks that I ride that simulated an earthquake.
Oh, yeah.
That's my closest thing to earthquake.
Yeah, that's what it's real. That's pretty realistic.
Really?
I've been on that same ride. Yep.
So I haven't. Hey, ready says as soon as we figure out how to move the money from sim to your real account, we'll start having losses.
Exactly. That's the way it works.
That is true too. That is true. So I'm gonna go to Chipotle, guys and gals. I'm gonna get me some lunch. Jesse's gonna head off to work, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the stream. If you guys are green, stay green. Pay attention. After the close, MU has earnings coming out, so be careful with that. So with that being said, I'm out of here. Don't forget to watch the video at 12:30. There'll be a chance to win a free account. Man, my voice.
Yeah, what happened?
Man, I think it's my birthday now. Jesse got me sick over the phone.
Get a pimple on your nose. Your voice is cracking.
I'm going through puberty. Yes, I'm finally gonna grow. Woo!
Hey, thanks, Mike, for having me. See you guys.
All right, man. See you guys later. All right, take care.